Item. Okay, if time permits. Yeah, if time permits. Only if time permits. Mike.
Yeah, please, your lordship, my lord, item on the 24th October last, my lord. Your lordship, that the NEET admission marks matter, my lord, today, my lord, because my learned friend from the health department said that yes, tomorrow is the last date of counseling. That's why your lordship was fixed, my lord, on 29th very reluctantly. But mistakenly, this is not listed, my lord, and is listed tomorrow, my lord. So, my lord, I after registry, they have said, yeah, it is mistakenly done. So you make a mention. We will get it if court permits at 2. Maybe taken. I have also informed the NEET sending council also, my lord. Then I will make a mention prayer. This morning he agreed.
Okay.
If your lordship permits me at 2, my lord. Okay.
Make legal list. We have to mention for listing of a matter for admission. Your lordship was pleased to held that on 9/9 that if the current salary is not paid to the petitioner, then so moto contempt proceeding shall be initiated.
6th of November.
On 8, let
8. You want it on 8?
8.
Okay.
May I please the lordship? Therefore, listing lordship one motion metal lordship on Monday lordship.
Why? What is the urgency?
Metal lordship provisional of service.
Huh?
Metal letting provisional of service lordship.
We'll have it on 6th.
Another lordship content metal lordship.
11th.
May I please, your lordship, my prayer is for listing lordship, arrears, matter regarding arrears salary.
Oh.
Earlier 3 occasion matter is listed, but not reach lordship.
Okay.
Next week, any date lordship?
8.
Much obliged.
May it please the lordship. My lord, may I pray for listing of a matter on 4th, my lord.
Why?
My lord, there is an interim order, my lord, your lordship passed an order. The lordship said that an interim order will be considered on the next day. This is a matter regarding regularization of guest lecturers, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, there is a notification which has been issued by the higher education, whereby they have stated they have appointed new lecturers in their places. So that is the urgency. The lordship can take it up on 4th. Okay.
Please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a matter on 4th. It is regarding to the non-payment of salary. The petitioner has not received a salary since
Have it on
2000.
5th.
Ma'am,
5th.
much obliged.
May I please, the lordship, with the consent of the other side, my lord, I would like to mention item number 17 of today's daily list. My lord.
Item?
Item number 17, my lord, 17.
Yes.
My senior, my lord, I Chaudhary is out of station, my lord.
Oh.
Kindly accommodate some other date.
He's for the?
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Okay. And request made on behalf of I Chaudhary and the senior counsel for the petition. When do you want?
My lord, on 5th or 12th,
No.
my lord, any day, 5th or 12th, this Tuesday, my
Is
lord.
the
hearing
matter on okay, 12.
12th, my lord. And the, my lord, there are my lord, other, my lord, two listing of 2 writ petitions, my lord. One for orders, my lord, and one for admission, my lord. Any
11th.
date, my lord,
11th.
11th. Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, beg to mention for listing of an WPC. He is attending superannuation on 31st. Lordship, may it come on 4th this
He's attending superannuation when?
on 31st.
Of this month?
Yes. It is for extension of his tenure. This writ is filed for.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing, my lord, for admission on next week, any date, lordship.
Okay. Okay, 13th.
Obliged.
Let us parents are listing admission any date next week. My lord.
13th.
And one content matter is also. My lord.
Okay. Contempt on 18th.
Obliged.
May I please, lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing a writ petition, lordship. Lordship, the matter is related for the Hindi provincial degree holder for consideration in TET examination.
18th.
Developed.
May I please, on content matter, lordship, that justice service was completed, lordship. I have filed affidavit also. Can you come upon Monday, lordship? Some urgency is there.
What is the urgency involved?
Because lordship, the last
2013 he was appointed lordship. 8 years, 10 years he is not getting the salary lord, due to the fault of the government. Lord.
Sixth.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a matter regarding non-payment of salary, lordship.
11th.
Item 1 of daily leave, motion.
May I please your lordship, my lord, this is a matter pertaining abrogation of pay scale, my lord. My lord, the petitioner was initially appointed as a lecturer in HR, its power, my lord, Jorat. Thereafter, my lord, by notification dated 21 October 2019, my lord, the petitioner's name was recommended for senior grade scale as well as my lord selection grade scale of pay, my lord.
Yeah, who appears?
Notice, Lord.
Third, Mr.
PH core, my lord.
PH.
PH core, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petition. Petition notice. Mr. S. Guyan, the standing council higher education,
Technical lordship.
higher and technical education, or technical,
Higher education, technical.
higher education within bracket technical. Appears for respondents, 1, 2,
For all, we can appear in principal.
including the principal.
Yes, sir, in this case, sir. Yes,
What?
we can.
Appears on behalf of all the respondents. As such, no formal steps are required. However, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit.
Lordship, one in the cause list, lordship, the elementary.
Oh, registry is directed to reflect the name of the learner standing council higher education in the process.
Bibliography.
Highly obliged, my lord.
19 of supplementary leave, motion.
May I please, your lordship?
Ah.
My lord, this matter, my lord, pertains to my lord SMC president, my lord. Out of 3 candidates, my lord, I was lawfully elected to the post of president, my lord, by virtue of order. Lordship will find at page 37, my lord. Page 37, annexure 6, my lord.
1 minute.
My lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Altogether, there were 3 candidates, my lord. And out of these 3 candidates, my lord, the candidature of 2 candidates were rejected, my lord. And I was lawfully elected to the post of president, my lord. And suddenly, my lord, if your lordship kindly turn to the next page, my lord. Without causing any inquiry, my lord, I was terminated merely on the basis of some false complaint, my lord, lodged by the outsiders, my lord. Next page, my lord. On the 11th day, my lord. And the rule says, I'm referring to page 16 of my petition, my lord. Lordship will kindly have a look for a moment, my lord. Page 16, rule 13 of sub rule 5. Removal of president, member of SMC and filling up of vacancies. Kindly have a look at Roman 2, my lord. A person shall not be qualified to be president, vice president or member of the SMC and can be removed by the SMC through a resolution signed by at least 2/3 members present in the meeting of the committee, which should not be less than or equal to 50% of the total members of the committee, or by the district elementary education officer after satisfying himself, stroke herself of the facts through an inquiry, my lord. There was no inquiry, my lord. Without causing any inquiry, my lord.
Enquiry is there, my lord. Enquiry
The
is
inquiry was
conducted.
carried out later on, my lord. I was terminated first, but the rule says there has to be an inquiry, and if anything is found against me, my lord, after causing an inquiry, then only I shall be terminated. The decision may be taken by the concerned officer, my lord. But I was on the 11th day, my lord, page 38, my lord, lordship will kindly have a look. Without causing any inquiry, without showing any reason, my lord. Merely on the basis of some allegation, my lord, I was terminated, my lord. And by virtue of, my lord, they have filed their affidavit, my lord. Now they are conducting the inquiry, my lord. Page 43 of the running page, my lord. Affidavit in opposition filed by the director, my lord. Now they are saying that inquiry is under process, my lord. This affidavit was filed on 23rd of September, whereas I was terminated without causing any inquiry, my lord, on 6th of January, my lord, 2024, my lord. This is illegal, my lord. They cannot do, my lord.
Enquiry is there, my lord. Enquiry is conducted by the deputy inspector of school. My lord, the only thing is that, my lord, enquiry conducted by the deputy inspector not in proper form, my lord.
So you returned it back,
My lord,
correct?
my lord. That is why I need some time, my lord,
No, my lord.
to complete the
Not
enquiry.
required.
Not
Then
today.
no
only one
inquiry.
time may be granted, my lord.
15th time.
With
There's no inquiry report.
No inquiry.
There's no inquiry. You terminated him without inquiry.
Yes, my lord. This is apparently very
Well,
clear
there
from the
are
record.
allegations of misappropriation of fund, my lord.
That's fine.
Fine.
If there's a allegation of misappropriation of, you conduct the inquiry in terms of the guidelines. After that, you terminate him. But then you just cannot terminate him and then have an inquiry. That's not as per the guidelines, which is issued by you only.
Well, I'll confirm this, my lord, whether prior to termination inquiry is conducted or not, my lord. Only, my lord, 10 days time may be granted, my lord.
What is the point?
Well, here, kindly see, my lord, sub inspector which will conduct an inquiry, my lord. It is not satisfactory because, my lord, main issue he has not asked.
That's why. Without conducting an inquiry, can you terminate the petitioner?
My lord, let me confirm, my lord, prior to his termination, inquiry is conducted or not. My lord, probably preliminary inquiry is done, but
Your affidavit shows something else.
my lord,
Yes,
my lord, there is allegation, my lord,
The last paragraph. of the affidavit.
and we have given the detailed report, my lord, that is annexure A1, my lord.
Hmm.
Here, my lord, kindly see, as per the allegation lodged by Ibrahim Ali and others, 128 local people and guardians which received on 30/12/2023 by receipt number 72, where it is stated that President Muhammad Abdul Kalam was involved in many illegal activities like misappropriation of funds of midday meal, uniform and other infrastructure grant, etc. Initially, Abdul Kalam was the president of SMC in the.
Shiv, I
He
got
was
10
earlier
days time,
also
my
the
lord.
president. It is his practice, my lord. That is why we need some time. My lord.
How many times can I give you time?
One more last chance, my lord, if I will fail, my lord, may perform.
No, what do you want to
My
inquire?
lord, my only thing is that I will bring the instruction whether the, after my lord declaring this report, my lord,
Your
whether.
annexure A1 is, your annexure A1, in your affidavit,
My-
your annexure A1 is sufficient.
to my-
It says that there was no inquiry.
But thereafter, my lord, this communication of 24/10/20.
That I have it here.
My lord,
Here it says after, that is after 10 months.
otherwise, lordship may dispose of directing the authority to conduct an inquiry within a specific period, my lord.
That's what I'm saying.
My-
I'll bring him back as the president.
My lord,
Yes, my lord.
After
my-
that,
sir,
I'm not interfering with the inquiry.
my lord.
After the inquiry, you take action as per law.
Yes,
My-
I leave it to lordship.
But Mr. Z,
Till completion of the inquiry, my lord, let the committee may be managed by the block limited.
no.
Till
He,
completion, my lord, because he may, my lord,
No.
he will have to come.
He will have to.
immediately after completion of the
No,
inquiry. Till completion of the inquiry.
No.
Till completion of the inquiry, he'll continue.
Yes.
My lord, he may, my lord,
How come?
misappropriate this, my lord.
How come?
How can we say?
My-
Within
my-
10 days, my lord, he got only 10 days.
I'm not interfering with inquiry. After inquiry, you take action against
My-
the petitioner.
my-
If allegations are found to be correct.
My lord,
If not, then he will continue.
my lord.
But Z Ahmad, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Mr. P.K. Bora, learned standing counsel, elementary
My
education,
lord,
for the respondents.
1, 2, 3 and 4, my lord.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Stop. Para. The Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam, Education within bracket, Elementary Department, issued a notification dated 3rd August 2011, notifying the norms for constitution as well as the powers and functions of the school management committee of government oblique provincialized elementary schools within bracket LP, UP, ME Madrasa of Assam as per part 15 of Rule 13 and 14 of the Assam Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Rules, 2011. Stop. In the said notification, the process for removal of president oblique members of SMC and filling up of vacancies is also provided. Stop. Para. In terms of the guidelines contained in the notification dated 3/8/2011, a general meeting was held for the purpose of constitution election of school managing committee of the Madhya Lochana Bori LP School, Morigaon. Stop. Draft, comma. The district elementary education officer by an order dated 26/12/2023 allowed the petitioner to act as president of SMC, Madhya Lochana Puri LP School. Stop. Drafted the district elementary education officer Morigan by an order dated so and so, approved and allowed, approved and allowed the petition so and so. Stop. However, while the petitioner was functioning as such, the district elementary education officer, Morigaon, by an order dated, what is this? Is it 5 or 6?
6 minutes.
6/1/2024. Cancelled the order dated 26/12/2023 on the ground of allegations lodged by the local public and withdrew the order dated 26/12/2023 on the allegation of on allegations lodged by the local public and allowed the block elementary education officer Lahori Kat to act as president of the said Matya Lochanapuri LP school. Stop. Being aggrieved, petitioners before this court by way of the present petition. Stop. Para. Let me counsel for the petitioner submits that the removal of the petitioner as president of the SMC, Madhya Lochanapuri LP school was done in violation of the guidelines provided in the notification dated 3rd August 2011, inasmuch as no inquiry was conducted against the said allegation made by the public and the district elementary education officer Morigaon proceeded to remove the petitioner as president of SMC of the said school. Stop. Para. The respondent number 2, I District Elementary Education, Assam. What is the District Elementary Education
Officer, my lord, Morigaon, sir.
officer?
Morigaon, sir.
Morigan has filed an affidavit.
That's director has filed it.
Hmm?
Yes, supposedly.
My lord, respondent to director.
Oh, I'm sorry. The respondent number 2, I Director Elementary Education, Assam, has filed an affidavit contesting the writ petition. Stop. In the said affidavit, a detailed report in respect of the petitioner is annexed, made by the District Elementary Education Officer, Morigaon, Assam, is annexed as Annexure A1. Stop. In the said report, no, a perusal of the said report would clearly indicate that no inquiry was conducted prior to the removal of the petitioner as president of SMC of the said school, inasmuch as it is stated that the inquiry of the allegation is under process. Stop. Bora. Mr. P.K. Bora, the Standing Council Elementary Education, has also furnished a communication dated 24/10/2024, written by the Director of Elementary Education, Assam, wherein it is submitted that the District Elementary Education Officer, Morigaon, has already submitted the inquiry report in connection with the petitioner, which was conducted by the Sub-Inspector of Schools, Lahorigarh. Stop. However, the report submitted by the Sub-Inspector of Schools, Lahorigarh, is not satisfactory, as the inquiry did not cover the main allegations based on which the petitioner was removed from the presidentship of the SMC of the school. And therefore, to ascertain the allegations brought against the petitioner, inasmuch as the complainants had alleged that the petitioner was involved with misappropriation of government money during his tenure as a president of the SMC. Stop. Para. Annexure A1 to the affidavit, Annexure A1 annexed to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2, as well as the communication dated 24/10/2024, clearly indicates that no inquiry was conducted by the authorities prior to removal of the petitioner as president of SMC of the said school. Stop. Para. The notification dated 3rd August 2011 also provides the guidelines for removal of president, members of SMC, and filling up of vacancies. Stop. Therein, comma, clause 5 within bracket Roman 2 provides that a person shall not be qualified to be a president, comma, vice president, or member of SMC, and can be removed by the SMC through a resolution signed at least two-third members by at least two-third members present in the meeting of the committee, which should not be less than or equal to 50% of the total members of the committee, or by the district elementary education officer after satisfying himself oblique herself of the facts through an inquiry. Stop. The respondents had failed to indicate, has failed to show that there was a SMC resolution signed by at least two-third members present in the meeting for removal of the president, for removal of the petitioner as president of the said SMC. Further, comma, as discussed here and above, there was no inquiry prior to the removal of the petitioner as president of SMC by the district elementary education officer before issuance of the order dated 6/1/2024. Stop. Para. In view of the observations and discussions made here and above, comma, the order dated 6/1/2024 is interfered with, and the same is accordingly set aside in quashed. Stop. The respondents are directed to forthwith reinstate the petitioner as president of Matia Lochanaburi LP School. Stop. Para. However, comma, this court makes it clear that it is not interfering with the inquiry process that is being held against the petitioner. Stop. The inquiry, the respondents are directed to complete the inquiry against the petitioner as early as possible, but not later than 1 month with effect from the date of passing of this order. Stop. Thereafter, comma, if the inquiry report is against the petitioner, then appropriate actions against the petitioner may be taken by the authorities. However, in accordance with law. With the above observations and directions, the petition is disposed of.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Malad, if your lordship may,
Where is the order?
Malad, the relevant portion is paragraph 15, page 18.
When was it passed?
Malad, 19/9, 2023.
When did you file this contempt?
Malad, 19/9, 2023. I have got 2 months, outer limit 2 months. So it is in the month of November. Before that, I filed.
Okay, heard J. Abidin, learning counsel for petitioner, issue notice.
Sole respondent.
Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by registered post AD within 1 week. This after 6 weeks.
21.
May it please your lordship. My willful violation of the order, page 19, lordship, is the order. Page 19, paragraph 11 and 12 is the operative portion, Lordship.
Why are you coming so late?
Lordship, actually, they are already on process. There is a letter, Lordship. It was written annexure, Lordship. Page 23, Lordship. It was on 10 January 24, Lordship. Actually, they are on director has written to the commissioner, Lordship, secretary, Lordship, but that has not yet been, nothing has been done, Lordship. They have to consider my pension, Lordship.
This contempt is part by limitation.
Lordship not.
How?
Because the order was on 6/12/23, Lordship.
Right.
And there was no time, Lordship, time
Oh,
frame,
it was on 6/12.
Lordship. It was not on fixed time.
Yeah. But Mr. K. Majumdar, Learned Counsel. Issue notice. To whom was the direction issued?
It was issued to the all the respondents, Lordship.
All.
All, Lordship.
Petitioner takes steps for service of notice on all the respondents by registered post city within 1 month. Based on the 6 weeks.
Within 1 week, Lordship, I'll take steps, Lordship. March.
22.
Please, your Lordship.
Hmm.
Well, non-compliance on the order dated 29/4/2024, my lord.
Hmm.
Operating para is 11, my lord, page number 21.
Yes.
21, my lord. 11 page para.
Okay, heard Mr.
A Gohain.
A. Gogoi, Learned Counsel.
A Gohain.
A. Gohain, Learned Counsel. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on all the respondents by registered post city within 1 week. List after 6 weeks.
23, 24, and 25.
May please, your lordship. My lord, there are 3 cases. Your lordship may take up item, my lord, 25, that is WPC 4998. This will cover, my lord, the entire issue, my lord. My lord, in fact, here what has happened, my lord, I am challenging the action of the respondents on the count that the mandate of the law, my lord, has been diluted. Now, my lord, my respectful submission is,
Mr. Talukdar,
my lord,
what I'm suggesting,
Right.
there is some difficulties there in the. So why not we fix it on Monday,
Right.
then we'll dispose it.
can it be on Tuesday, my lord,
That
instead?
doesn't matter.
Yes.
Okay.
Because if I, my lord, submit, my lord, that otherwise also this. will not-
I've got you.
Yes, yes, correct.
Some difficulties there.
I leave it to
But
you.
SK Talukdar and the council. As well as Mr. P.K. Bora, the Standing Council Elementary Education Department, and Mr.
R Islam.
R. Islam, the council
7.
for the respond number 7. Stop. Place the matter on 5th November
November.
for final disposal.
Smile. Since your lordship has already heard the matter, can I pray for part heard, madam? Your lordship is.
No, no, it's okay. It will come
It
up.
will come before your lordship. Oblige, madam.
Obliged.
26.
My lord, last time instructions were
Yeah, Fukal.
My lord, as per the regulation, my lord.
Why not you file a affidavit so that the petitioner can also rebut what you have said?
My lord. As per this clause 15.7.9, it should be 5 years
That I've
and
got
3
it.
chances.
Ah.
So, my lord, that clause I will reflect in my affidavit.
That's what I want. Ms. Haida, General Counsel for the petition. Mr. PG Fukan, Learned Standing Counsel, Guwahati,
Got University. For 1 and 2.
is allowed 1 week time.
2 weeks time, my lord.
I don't want to spoil your Diwali vacation also, but 2 weeks is also 10 days.
10 days.
It's allowed 10 days
My
time.
lord, I am told by my client that just after the Diwali vacation, the dates of form fill up will be out. So
That will take care, don't worry. To file affidavit. List on. Yes, what, 30?
29,
10 days,
11.
11.
Most of like.
27.
Lordship, can you pass over for the time being?
Why?
Senior is on legs.
Who's your senior?
MK Bora.
You can't argue?
No, Lord,
Why?
not prepared.
You should try. You should never depend on your senior. Up to
28.
Method pertains to non-payment of pensionary benefits, my lord.
When did you retire?
Retired in the year 2010, my lord.
2010.
10, my lord. And he has less, my lord, 3 months to complete the qualifying service, my lord. And in persons of the court orders of this honorable court, my lord, I file application, my lord, kindly see page 43. Before the respondent number 1, under rule 67. To condone the, my lord, relaxing the 3 months for complete the 10 years of qualifying service.
Okay.
And thereafter, my lord, no step has been taken, my lord, till date, my lord. So, my lord, this honorable court was direction, my lord, to pass an order within a period of 3 months, my lord. Page 43, my lord. Yeah, lord.
No? Page?
42, my lord. Paragraph 4, my lord. Accordingly, the recipient disposed with a liberty granted to file application under Rule 67 of the Assam Service Pension Rule seeking condonation of net qualifying service petitioner. As and when such application is filed by the petitioner, the appropriate authority under Rule 67 of the
Yes, who appears?
Elementary Education. Madam. At this stage, notice may be issued, madam.
Not notice. Fukan, see, he has made an application under Rule 67 in the year 2022. You are doing nothing. So you dispose of this application within 2 weeks.
time frame may be given, 3 weeks maybe.
Okay,
time frame may be given.
2 weeks or 1 month,
Yes, sir.
whichever.
Madam.
Third, Mr. K. Patkari, Learned Counsel for the petition, as well as Mr. A. Fukan, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department.
Commissioner,
For the respondents,
My lord, all the
no, not all.
no, finance also.
1, 4, 6, 7.
Madam.
What is it? 1,
finance is 8, my lord.
4, 6,
3
7.
and 8.
Pension Department, Mr. P. Saikia, Learned Government Advocate, appears for the respondent number 2. And MS
RM Bora, Lordship.
RM Bora, Learned Standing Counsel Finance, appears for respondents. 3.
3 and 8, madam.
P. Saikia will be 2 and 4. 2 and 5. And RM Bora, Learned Standing Finance for 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Stop. Para. It is the case of the petitioner that is a he or she,
He, my lord.
was appointed as a supplementary teacher and accordingly joined the Chowni Chowk LP School on 1/9/2000. Stop. Thereafter, comma, he was regularized by granting regular scale of pay after after completion of the basic training, isn't it?
My lord.
Where's that order?
Page 24, my lord. Kindly see, my lord. Certificate.
No, after completion
In
Of-
service primary teacher training course.
of the in-service primary teachers training course. Where's that order?
My lord, I have not annexed, but I have annexed service book, my lord.
Where's that?
Page 26, my lord. Allowed to draw regular scale of expense of parent with effect from 2/3/2003.
Page
Page 26, my lord.
26.
Allowed to draw.
By an order dated 3/6/2003, correct?
My lord.
Stop. The petitioner drafter retired on supination on 35/1/2010,
5, my lord. 31,
31/5/2010,
my lord.
after rendering 9 years,
9 months.
9 months of service. Stop. However, comma, as no pensionary benefits were paid to the petitioner, the no, don't say like that. Draft. The petitioner approached this court by filing WBC number 612/2022, seeking a direction to the respondents to relax the shortfall of the remaining 3 months of service by the petitioner to complete 10 years of net qualifying service, which is a requirement for employees to get pension under the Assam Services within bracket pension rules, comma, 1969. Stop. As the provision for relaxation of the shortfall of the qualifying period of service is provided on top where I said that the pension rules within bracket, you say rules of 1969 in short. As the provisions for relaxation of the shortfall of the qualifying period of service is provided under Rule 67 of the rules of 1969, wherein the government can take a decision on such relaxation to be given. Stop. Accordingly, comma, WBC number 612 of 2022 was disposed of on 7/9/2022, directing the petitioner to file an application under Rule 67 of the rules of 1969, seeking continuation of the net qualifying service of the petitioner. Stop. This court further provided that in the event the petitioner filed the application under Rule 67 of the rules of 1969, the appropriate authority shall consider the same and pass appropriate orders as expeditiously as possible, preferably within a period of 3 months from the date of filing of such representation. Stop. Para. In terms of the directions passed by this court on 7/9/2022, the petitioner accordingly met an application under Rule 67 of the Rules of 1969 on 14/9/2022 before the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam, Elementary Education Department. Stop. Para. The said application, no, not para, continue. However, as the said application dated 14/9/2022 is yet to be considered by the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam, Elementary Education Department, oblique
Now, my lord, Department of School Education, Secretary, my lord.
Secretary, Department of School Education.
the petitioner is before this court by way of petition. Can the secretary entertain this?
No, there's no commissioner and secretary. It's secretary only. He's only dealing.
So, as the application filed by the petitioner on 14/9/2022 is yet to be considered, this writ petition is disposed of, directing the respondent number 1, oblique Commissioner and Secretary,
Secretary, Department of School Education.
oblique Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education, to consider and dispose of the application made by the petitioner on 14/9/2023 as expeditiously as possible, but not later than 1 month
Right.
from the date of receipt of a copy of this order and in accordance with law. Stop. With the above observations and directions, with petitions.
If you
Oblige.
29.
May I please, Lord? Yes. The petitioner, my lord, proposals was recommended for consideration of appointment, but in the next SLC, but that was not considered. Hence, file this instant petition.
When did you make your application?
My lord, father was died in the year on 23/6/1995, my lord, and the application filed on, my lord, just after on 11/9/1995, and thereafter 11/9/1995.
Then?
And thereafter, my lord, the application was received by the DI, and that one after another, my lord, that was recommended, but not yet considered. And lastly, my lord, kindly see Annexure 8, page 32, my lord, the District Commissioner, my lord, forward the proposal for consideration of the appointment of computer ground in the next SLC, but that was not considered.
The DLC considered your case?
The SLC, madam.
DLC considered
The DLC was minor meeting of minor was hold, and that was not unable to collect, my lord. And DLC was considered, but thereafter.
How do you know? How do you know that the DLC has considered your matter?
My lord, kindly see Annexure 7, my lord, page 31. In this, my lord, second para I am reading, my lord. In this regard, you are requested to submit a detailed report proposals for appointment on competition ground in prescribed format of 1, 2, 3 in favor of the applicant for placing before the next DLC meeting. This is for information necessary action, my lord. Next, my lord, Annexure 8, page 32, my lord. Regarding the submission of proposals for appointment on competition ground in respect of Mohammed Samsuddin Ahmed and Sri Mustafa Rahman under DO Dorong. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to state that on the basis of the GOPT letter under reference GOPT mention application father late Mokibur Rahman and late Abdul Wahab died on 23/6/1995 and 30/12/2008. Respectively, while in service, Mohammed Samsuddin Ahmed, son of Mukibur Rahman, prayed for compulsory appointment to the concerned department within the stipulated time, copy enclosed. But the concerned department did not communicate to this office for further necessary action. Later, Mohammed Samsuddin Ahmed submitted another application dated 30/8/2023 to this office praying for appointment on competition ground. Then the proposals was placed before the DLC.
1995 matter you are coming today.
My lord. My lord, kindly see annexure 2 page.
But see, Saikia, it appears there's some communication going on,
No,
even
my lord.
till now.
No, my lord, that last communication sent by the DC, my lord. Then, my lord, state has a particular inspection. Any pending matter, my lord, in regards to the new matter, that have to be submitted before the
So no, here it said DLC accepted the proposal and recommended for appointment on commissioning ground in the next SLC. Have you read this? This is
my lord. My lord, even that is the contrary of the law, because my lord, 1995-2006, my lord, while Osutranjan judgment has been passed, there is a specific direction, all pending applications should be considered in one-time method.
Oh, have you done that?
My lord, state has already done, my lord. Otherwise, some petitioner has, because 1995, my lord, he has abandoned the claim from 1995. Otherwise, it is his duty to pursue after 2006 judgment, my lord.
No, but then even now you are processing his matter.
My lord.
Deputy Commission, just let us have the DLC minus, then we'll know.
My lord, I have read this.
Let us see. You
He has
take some
stated that-
instructions and
that's
come.
recommended.
You take instructions and come.
My lord.
But Mr.
B. Islam.
Learned counsel for the petition. Mr. P. Saikia, learned government advocate, shall receive instructions. List after 2 weeks.
Must be clear.
30.
Please, your lordship. The engaging counsel is on lakhs, lordship.
What is this matter about?
Lordship may pass over for time being,
Claiming area.
Okay.
31.
I make pillars. Selection and appointment, my lord. Petitioner selected, my lord. Two posts, my lord.
1 minute.
Ali Tangani, higher secondary school, my lord. Lordship's order is space 31 million.
Page
31 million. Start from 31 million. Mainly paragraph, my lord, page 32, paragraph 12 and
1 minute. Page 31.
yes. Start from page 32, my lord, paragraph 12 and 13 million. And page 34, my
1 minute.
direction.
Yes.
And next order, my lord, page 36, my lord. And that state respondent did not comply, my lord, and yes, my lord, One Mustaq again approached before this honorable court, page 36 million.
Your
I am Mazaharul, my lord. I am the Mazaharul, my lord. Page 19 is the selection list.
Hmm?
Page 19, kindly.
yes.
Page 19,
Hmm.
serial number 16, Mazharul Islam. Awarded 82.75 first and one. Mustaq Ahmed, he has already appointed my lord. 81.5 my lord. He has appointed on the basis of this of the order of my lord, page 36 started my lord. And appointment order is page 44. Page 36 kindly see last order my lord of this honorable court.
Page.
Page 36 my lord.
Huh?
Started.
Yes.
Justice, Honorable Justice, you can add. Your lordship's order is followed, my lord. Particularly page 41, para 30. The lordship's order is followed. The directions as passed by this honorable court order dated 24/8/2022, lordship's order, being so passed in the instruction as so and so, my lord. Para 14 and 15.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, on the basis of that order, my lord, the government complied and I appointed said Mustaq, my lord, page 44. And petitioner approach petitioner file representation, my lord, to the respondent authority, my lord, page 45. Inspector of school, and page 47, the honorable secretary to the governor person, education department. That is not considered.
You did not approach this.
Yes, yes. Yes,
You're
petitioner
a
did not
fen-
appoint.
You're a fence sitter.
Yes.
Correct.
Miller.
Yes. Kaushik.
No, he was waiting for the outcome of this inspection. He is basically a fancy guy.
Miller, due to pendency of the some cases, Miller, that's why Miller respondent authority did not
You're just sitting, watching quietly what will happen. Now something good has
Petition
happened.
4%,
Now you
my
want
lord.
not you want a piece of that.
Yes, Miller. Petitioner person, that's why he has not approached this honorable court, Miller, earlier.
Oh.
And now he has similar pair on the ground of
Conduction direct for disposal of the representation at page 47.
Yes. 45 and 47.
Let the secretary take a call.
Otherwise, you take instructions and come and then.
All lordship will issue notice.
Yes.
Notice.
But Mr.
M. Ahmed.
M. Ahmed and the council for petitioner issue notice. Mr. B. Kaushik, the understanding council, secondary education.
My lord.
Appears on behalf of
Respond number 1, 2, and 3, my lord.
1, 2, and 3. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice. Or respondent 4 and 5 by registered. On top, you put extra copies. Huh? Respondents are allowed to file after. List after 4 weeks. You wait. You have been waiting quite some time, so you wait for some time.
Almost like 10 years.
27.
matter of the provincial service.
Mm.
The second out of it is come to extra 4 page case. The first section.
Page.
Page 8.
Yes.
The page.
Are you using the mic? Yes.
Page subsidiary. What is it? It's part taken out of it. Because of 3 months. We need to take into account all the active taxes that it is as well as what the like rate here is accordingly, compliance of this order of but a content is
Hmm?
content
Hmm.
897 is out. Tradition 29 1 asking for direction box which food by the order ticket tell it as the order is the logic is 18 I thought. Lecture 5.
Okay. Yes.
It's 9. The ground of restrictions for
That I've seen. Yes, Shama.
No, this may be here, my lord.
Third, Mr.
MK border.
MK Borrell. Issue notice. Mr. U. Sharma, Leonard.
For respondent number
Funding
1 and
Council.
2.
Secondary Education enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all respondents. Notice on respondents accompanied. However, except copies, respondents are allowed to file affidavit. List after 4 weeks.
30.
I can't hear you. I think your mic is your mic working. Page? Huh.
It refers to the government letter on the subject level. I have the honor to inform you that the principal Navosha College, North Lakhimpur has submitted a proposal for release of area salary in respect of late Shapanti Bora, Associate Professor of Navosha College, North Lakhimpur. While verifying the service book, it is seen that the concerned employee has refused to avail the promotional benefit of selection grade scale of pay. So the claim of the area salary is not admissible. Now, if I may take your lordship to page 73, annexure 17.
Annexure?
Annexure 17, page 73. This is the order dated 22/3/2016.
Mm.
Lordship, fixation of pay of associate grade scale of pay. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to state that the pay of the undermentioned associate professor of your college is hereby fixed as below. This is the Shapanti Bora, Lordship. This is the petitioner's wife, late wife, Lordship. Now, if I may take your Lordship to page 76, this is the extract of the service book. Page 76, the 77, Lordship, the selection grade scale was fixed in the service book. And now, Lordship, at page 80, this is the extract. when it was written, Lordship, after my death, after the death of the petitioner's wife, Lordship. Lordship,
How do you know that?
Lordship, I am coming. The employee had refused to avail the promotional benefit selection grade of assistant professor scale of pay allowed by the GB and approved by the DHE on the ground of non-fund refund of her withheld increment. She is also refused to sign the IPS of promotional scale of pay, which is verified by the audit of DHE. The GB is not considering the withheld increment for withdrawal as it is a penalty to her for her financial anomalies during her IC principal period. The employee had also not availed the 7th UGC revised scale of pay on the ground of the same withheld increment issue up to the death of the employee had been availed the senior scale of pay in the old scale of pay pre-revised of 7th UGC and expired on 30/9/2019. Now, Lordship, the 81, this is the extract of the service book. Now, it was written by the principal on 19/10/2019, after the death of the wife of the petition number 1 and mother of the petition number 2 and 3. She expired on 30/9/2019, and the service book extract in the service book was written on 19/10/2019. Lordship will find down below right-hand side. This is the date of where the headmaster is signed. So after the death of my wife, Lordship, this extract has been written. I have filed earlier also. I filed the writ petition, Lordship. Thereafter, they have my wife filed. Thereafter, after expiry, we got substituted. Then the principal told us that to withdraw that writ petition with the assurance that the arrears salary will be paid as well as the family pension. Family pension has been released, but this arrears salary has not been released. In 2016, director has. Petition go, Lord.
Order, learned counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice. Mr.
A.R. Davilda.
A.R. Davilda, learned standing counsel higher education. Appears for the respondents, 1 and 2.
1 and 2, Lord.
Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respondents 3, 4, and 5 by registered post within 1 week. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. After 4 weeks.
32.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, the matter pertains to provincialization of service, my lord. In fact, it is in my second round of litigations. Hearing, my lord, we are challenging the interim appointment order of respondent number 6 and 7, my lord, along with the order that has been passed in the, my lord, appeal, which has been filed in pursuant to, my lord, court's order, wherein, my lord, the petitioner's claim as a senior most language teacher has been rejected, Lordship.
Where is that?
Yes, my lord, I'm coming, Lordship. May kindly turn the page, my lord, 24, my lord. 24 when the date is, my lord, the date of joining of the all of, my lord, the private respondent and petitioners are evident, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, on 24, my lord, on column number 1, my lord. Teacher, on top, teacher 1. Thereafter, my lord, the name of the teacher Minis Mohan Kiran. He is respondent number 6 hearing. My lord, in serial number 9, my lord, row number 9, street number 9.
Serial number 9?
9, my lord, the date of joining of services, my lord. Here, my lord, date of service, my lord, joining of services, that's Minis Mohan Kiran. Respondent number 6 is 1 January 1994. Thereafter, my lord, the teacher's number 2, Bolen Dole, my lord, 1 January 1986.
Bolen Dole?
Bolen Dole is a petitioner, my lord.
Oh.
Bolen Dole. And, my lord, on extreme right, my lord, Nikhil Neu. My lord, on extreme right column, my lord. My lord, Nikhil Neu. On the same page, my lord. Right column, my lord.
This is half printed only.
My lord, it is full here in my petition.
You are supposed to give a better copy to the court, isn't it?
My lord, I apologize for the inconvenience because, my lord, my clerk, my lord, whatever he, the
What
filing
happened?
section.
What happened? Who is this Nikhil Mitch?
My lord, Nikhil Neu is my lord, respondent number 7, my lord.
Oh.
His date of joining is 1 January 1995.
Oh.
My lord, his joining date is evident in another documents, my lord. I have my lord, submitted as regards this
Nikhil Noir is concerned. Lordship may kindly turn to page 26, my lord. 26.
26.
26, my lord.
Oh,
26, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My lord, 8 line from my lord, in the my lord, from bottom, my lord, 8 line top. Nikhil Noir.
yes.
There's my lord, his date of appointment is my lord, 01, my lord, it is 01/01/1995,
Yes.
date of joining. So, my lord, evidently petitioner is senior, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, that lordship may kindly turn to page 27, my lord. 27, that list of the provincialized teachers of the petitioner's school, Minis Mohan Kiran Pegu and Nikhil Noir. One science teacher, my lord, no social has been appointed. 2 language teachers has been appointed, my lord.
Yeah.
Thereafter, my lord, petitioner filed and read petitions, and my lord, interim or lordship may kindly turn to page 30, my lord.
Page 30.
Page 30, my lord.
Oh,
Para number 7 and 8, my lord. May I read, my lord? The prima facie, we do not find any provision for provincializing in teacher for all subjects, nor there is any provision for provincializing the service of a teacher as a headmaster in the school. Considering the petitioner is a senior respondent of 7, and on a prima facie case being made of considering the balance of convenience as well as the irreparable loss that the petitioner may suffer in the interim, it is provided that until further orders, no effect of provincialization be given to the respondent number 6. Minis Mohan Kiran Pegu, and respondent number 7, Nikhil Noir. Both the private respondents that service further provincialization has been stated. Thereafter, my lord, court has my lord, issued the liberty has been granted to prefer an appeal, my lord, before the appropriate authority, the Secretary of School Education. And that is on page, my lord, relevant portion is page 35. 35, my lord, para number 14, my lord. Page 14, and interim was continued, my lord, till disposal of the appeal. Interim was continued, and it has been, my lord, directed to file an appeal also.
yes.
My lord, thereafter petitioner filed an appeal, and my lord, the order passed in the appeal, that is on page 36. My lord, findings thereafter, my lord. Herein, my lord, the report submitted by the Director of Elementary Education has been perused, all the record has been placed, and my lord, after due verification, it was found that, my lord, that the DEE report, my lord, has got it.
Counsel can't read this document.
My lord, I have,
How have you filed this?
my lord, the filing section has to, my lord,
Reject it, isn't it? Has to reject such applications. I'll direct the filing section to reject this.
no, my lord, my lord, I have given some better copies, my lord.
Where have you given the better copy?
No, my lord, they have not, my lord.
Come read it. Show you.
No, my lord, I know, my lord, I apologize, but
Then
my lord, it is the duty of the filing sections.
is it not your duty
No,
to at least
definitely my duty.
give a type copy?
Well, definitely my duty. But I am not aware, my lord, that some defective is there. That is why, my lord, they have not. I will, if required.
You file type copy and then we'll take up the matter.
My lord, type copies with even, my lord, I have my lord, keeping the type copies also, but they have not, my lord, that keep the file as in the defective session. That is why. I will, my lord, annex the type copy. Type copy is with my lord.
Where's the type copy?
Type copy is with me. Give me type copy. I apologize for its inconvenience, but I am not aware, my lord.
What you're not aware that you have annexed this copy?
My lord, no, when, my lord, that the main copy was, my lord, legible, but thereafter, my lord, probably for, my lord, consecutive xerox, it has.
That I don't know.
My lord, lordship, my lord is correct. It is not legible, perhaps.
Now, if you want to argue on the legibility,
No,
or
my lord, no, my lord.
we can argue on that matter.
No, my lord. It
And
is
this
my
court will
duty.
pass in order.
It is my duty to, my lord, that to annex the type copies, and I apologize for the inconvenience, my lord. The type copies is there.
Yes.
my lord, on the first page.
Oh,
May I read, my lord?
yes.
My lord, DE report and documents submitted by the petitioner reveal that DSC Jorhat has had recommended the following teachers against Brahmaputra Upataka missing ME school for provincialization. This thereafter, my lord, the list of teachers. List of teachers. My lord, Minister Kiran Pegu, that is his English teacher, my lord. That respondent number 6 after perusal of the record, my lord. English is a language, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, that is science teacher. And Nikhil Neog, respondent, he is a Hindi teacher. My lord.
Yes.
He's a Hindi teacher. Thereafter, my lord, petitioner, my lord, name of the Bolen Dole, he's Assamese teacher, my lord. And one Golab Chandra Taye is social science teacher. So hearing, my lord, considering the, my lord, date of joining in Sabis, apparently, my lord, I am senior. My date of joining is 1986. The seniority will prevail, my lord. I will have to be appointed as in, my lord, language teacher. These two language teachers are junior to me. My lord, and another significant fact, my lord, there's
One
some,
minute. When was this order passed?
my lord, it is on pass, my lord, 18/7, but my lord, the petitioner lives in a remote place, 18/7/2024. My lord, he received, my lord, quite lately, and I have categorically stated in my pleadings also. It is on, my lord, last page, page 37, my lord will file on bottom. Signature of some, my lord, some Shah Nawaz Chaudhary, 18/7/2024. My lord has got it. But petitioner, my lord, very recently, he has, my lord, as my lord, thereafter instantly he is preparing this application, my lord. And my lord, there on page 36, they are giving an observation here in my lord that there is some existing notifications. That's underlined. I'm in the type copy, that underlined portion.
Type copy?
In the type copy, I have underlined my lord, by ball pen.
Yes.
So the report further reveals as per the gov teachers number so and so dated so and so. My lord, there's that 2019 inclusion of Hindi teacher written, my lord, Hindi of HSLC passed, and thereafter, my lord, there, my lord, saying that there is some existing notifications are there, my lord. And in pursuance to that notifications, in Assamese medium school, Hindi is the language. Only Hindi can be appointed as a language teacher. Kindly read the last portion also, whereby petitioner's claim has been rejected.
Yes.
Well, they are saying that Hindi is only the language. Malad, that is no, malad, how it can be possible? Hindi, malad, Hindi is a language, definitely, malad. Even though, malad, there is dispute whether the Hindi is a special subject or not, malad. I'm not going to that aspect, malad. Hindi, English, and Assamese all are language, and definitely, malad, the seniority will prevail. Being the city, being senior, petitioner has to be appointed as a malad language teacher. So far, malad, section 3.1.11 is concerned. It only says about language.
Yes, Kaushik.
At least it's allowed to listen.
Yeah.
No, my lord, my lord, that provincialization of service of the respondent number 6 and 7 shall be stayed, my lord, until further. Because in on
done 5 to 2021.
They've been provincialized.
They have been already provincialized, my lord. Thereafter,
When were the provincial? Where's the provincialization order?
that is, my lord, on my lord. I'm mentioning herein.
Where's the order?
My lord, order I have filed RTI application is all, my lord, orders are not, but I'm, my lord, referring in my prayer portion and also in my lord, in my petition also, my lord. That, my lord, will file on page 13, my lord. My lord, page 13, para number 13. Para number 14, my lord. On prayer portion, my lord will file. Page 16.
para 6 is the pleadings, my lord. Page 7.
Uh,
They
no,
were
clear
appointed on
clear.
5/2/2021 by order number so and so. They were provincialized on 5th of February 2021.
Yes, heard Mr. B.K. Das and the council. Issue notice.
Reference to Janano.
Mr. B. Kaushik, Learner Standing Council Elementary Education. Appears for respondents 1, 2.
1, 2, and 5. 4 and 5.
1, 2, 4, and 5. Mr. B. Cycle and the government advocate address for the respondent. Extra copies. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 6 and 7 by registered post within 1 week. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. List the matter after 4 weeks.
My lord, interim may be, my lord.
The provincialization of the respondents 6 and 7 shall be subject to the outcome of this.
33.
Let me look. Lord, petitioner entering the service since my lord 10/10/2004, my lord has, and his post was provincialized on my lord on 28/7/2016 with effect on 1/1/2013. My lord annexure, my lord 12, page 39, my lord. But his salary has not been paid till date, my lord. That is why filed several.
Page 39.
My lord, page 39 provincialization order, my lord. But his salary has not been paid. And such matter files several representation also praying for salary, but not considered. Hence, file this instant petition paying for salary and other.
You provincialized
as assistant teacher, madam. He at Shohid Dhrubajyoti High School, madam.
And after that, you have not got your salary.
Not madam, not paid salary.
With effect from
1/1/2013, madam.
1/1.
Provincialization, madam, with effect from 1/1/2013, madam.
Okay.
Lordship, his provincialization order was put to challenge, your lordship. And the order is at page 40, your lordship. Page 40. Starts from page 40. Relevant portion is page 42, your lordship. Paragraph 5, your lordship.
And my lord, that matter was recommended to the NDC Nagaon, my lord.
The earlier.
And DLC, my lord, have to kindly see page
Lordship,
43.
the last part. The earlier order of provincialization shall not be given effect, and the orders to be passed under section 13C, they shall prevail, your lordship.
The earlier order means what?
Earlier order, your lordship. Lordship is C at paragraph 3, your lordship. Paragraph 3, your lordship.
Where is the paragraph? This is an order of 28 July 2016, isn't it? By which the petitioner was provincialized.
Lordship. Lordship.
Then
Lordship, there was this interim order, your lordship.
Okay.
In spite of the interim order, he was provincialized, your lordship. So the court, so the court said that on 28/7, the provincialization order will not be made effective. So that was lordship, his provincial order was not given effect to. So he was not supposed to be provincialized.
No, my lord, as per provision of section 13 subclause 6, my lord, that matter was referred to the NDC in Nagaon, my lord. Kindly see page.
One minute.
Then after that, your lordship, there was a DLC meeting, your lordship. The minutes is at page 44, page 43, your lordship. Page 43, lordship, below 1, serial number 1, your lordship.
Anita Bora.
Anita Bora. your lordship.
This writ petition was filed by Anita Bora?
This is
Initial-
being filed by Hirendra
Yes.
Chandra Nath.
No, she was, Anita
Lord-
Bora filed this writ petition.
Lordship. Anita
Where the
Bora.
order was passed that
Yes.
is provincial and will not be given
Yes,
effect
yes,
to.
yes, your lordship.
And 13.6.
Yes, your lord. Then, but here, your lordship, what they had come into the conclusion that after scrutiny of records, it is seen that the services of Sri Hirendra Chandra Nath has already been provincialized, whereas the court had said that it will not be put effect to your lordship. So here the notice has to go, your lordship. You'll have to.
My lord, it is
The
clear
instructions,
that, my
your
lord, page number 43 and extra 14, my lord, in para 1, my lord, it is stated in the WPC number 4244 2016, filed by the Anita Bora, my lord. It is specifically clear that the petitioner is provincialist and that was effected with since 1/1/2013, my lord.
Because in 42 WPC 4244, the court had disposed the matter stating that his provincialization will not be made effective.
Given effect to.
Lordship will not be given effect.
Yes.
Well, in pursuance of that order, my lord, that NDC Nagaon, my lord, passed this order and
It was a wrong, it was a wrong decision.
Lordship.
They said that your provincialization is in existence,
my lord,
which was not so. Because there was already a judicial order saying that your provincialization order will not be given effect to.
my lord.
How could you have done this?
My lord,
In
kindly
fact,
see-
I don't know why Anita Bora is not challenging this.
My lord, kindly see page 14, my lord. Sorry, annexure 14, page 43, my lord.
Huh?
One, it is the committee seen and perused the Honorable Guwahati High Court order dated 7/2/2018, filed by Anita Bora, and also perused the order dated 18/6/2016 and dated 28/7/2016, issued by the Director of Secondary Education, Assam, and other particulars. Documents relating to provincialization of the service of in connection with WPC number 4244/2016 filed by Anita Bora. After scrutiny of records, it is seen that the service of Hirendra Chandra Nath has already been provincialized. Filed the DSE Assam order memo number so and so dated 28/7/2018 and still exists. Now the committee has recommended the same of Anita Bora for provincialization of her service as per norms. So Hirendra Chandra, my lord, my petitioner already exists, my lord. His post is provincialized, my lord.
Are you making an argument that this court has to ignore the judicial order passed by this court in WPC 4244, where it says that your provincialization order shall not be
effect, my lord,
given effect to?
and that we consider.
And this is a very wrong interpretation.
Now, as per provision of section 13(6) to 13.
I'm not going into 13.6 right now. I'm going into the observation made by the, what is this? DLC?
DLC.
DSC, District Scrutiny Committee.
District Scrutiny Committee.
It's a very wrong observation, contemptuous.
My postman already that as per provision of section 124, my lord, he's entitled as because his provincialization has affected, my lord, as per order, my lord, 12 page 39, my lord.
Hurt be Islam and the Constitution. We will issue notice, you file your objection.
Lordship.
Issue notice. MS D. Muchari, the standing counsel.
For 1, 2, and 3, your lord.
Elementary,
It's
secondary
education.
education department, address for 1, 2, and 3. Extra copies of the petition be furnished to censor. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respond number 4 by registered proceeding within 1 week. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. Please note to 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Developed.
Just come.
He has filed representation, Lordship, but representations annexed with the representation shows that it has not been received. Nothing is there. Lordship, after
Whether it
due
is
received or not, nothing. After due procedure, following due procedure of law, I was selected, Lordship. Thereafter, my name has also been sent for the DAC for recommendation, Lordship. Letter is also, I have annexed, Lordship.
You should have challenged this notice at an early date.
Lordship, petitioner is a poor person, Lordship.
That is not an excuse.
At least the notice may go at least.
Hurt, Mr.
Keyboard, Lordship.
Huh?
Keyboard, Lordship.
Keyboard and council. Issue notice. Mr. A.R. Tapildar, and Studying Council, Higher Education, appears for
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Extra copies of the petition be furnished. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice on the respondents 3 and 4 by registered proceeding with 1 and 2. Respondents are allowed to file after list after 4 weeks.
Oblige, your lordship.
35.
My lord, the matter pertains to my lord medical entrance. My lord, the petitioner, my lord, appear in national eligibility come entrance test, my lord, in short, NEET, my lord, and scored, my lord, 630 out of 720, my lord. And she got, my lord, admission in my Lakhimpur Medical College. But thereafter, my lord, for upgradation in round 3, my lord, she done a mistake, my lord. Instead of my lord writing preference code, my lord.
Instead of writing preference code, my lord, he give the number of 202. That is dental college, my lord, regional dental college. Due to that mistake, my lord, he was, my lord, again, my lord.
Yeah, Lordship, pursuant to the last court's order given by your Lordship, we have received our instructions. Lordship,
I'm relying on judgment of the Madras High Court. Let replacement. Sumone bear hobo. Ma anda kori dite.
Yes.
that we have that only the instruction. That is.
You know, what is this stray vacancy not around of usually? What is this stray vacancy?
Lordship may take it after some time. Lordship, I'll obtain the proper instructions regarding what's to. As far as my understanding goes.
See, I think what the petitioner wants is she wants to go back to Lakhimpur.
Yes, ma'am. Lordship may look at the last line. Last line also we have said that the Honorable High Court may do the needful. We have no objections regarding that. Already one seat is already kept vacant as per your Lordship's order.
So, I am happy, my lord, if I have kept in your company.
Lordship, that is permissible, my lord, as per NMC, because the
What is permissible?
My lord, if the DME, my lord, Director of Medical Education, in the case of Assam, my lord, they are the appropriate authority where such technical glitches might happen, and that may be condoned provided they have no. We don't have, NMC does not have any specific regulation that this would be barred. So if, my lord, my learned friend representing the DME is not objecting, my lord, then, my lord, there's nothing much to say on my part.
What is this? Accordingly, petitioner is not eligible for the stray vacancy round of counseling. What is this?
Stray vacancy possibly refers to, my lord, that mop-up round.
Yes, my lord. May I submit, my lord? In mop-up round, my lord, I cannot participate, my lord. But one post has been kept vacant. As per Madras High Court, if I stay there, my
No, you participate in the mop-up round, isn't it?
No, my lord.
Third round of counseling.
Third round of counseling, they are not allowed me to participate, my lord. That is why I am before your lordship. Then due to my mistake, my lord, this thing has been happened. So I submitted before your lordship that if I may be allowed to take in my lord, Lakhimpur Medical College also, my lord, then also, my lord, it will be happen. Otherwise, my lord, it is will downgrading the petitioner from my lord medical college seat to dental college seat, my lord. So, my lord, your lordship has passed an interim order. As per instruction he produced, my lord, as per I understand.
After your third round of counseling,
Yes, my lord.
you were given that Lakhimpur, isn't it?
First round of council, I was given to Lakhimpur, my lord. Third round of council, I was given to the regional dental college because of mistake was happened in my part, my lord. Now, my lord, he has stated that Lakhimpur Medical College seat has been kept vacant after passing the interim order. So, if I am adjusted on that post, my lord, already I do classes on that, my lord, for 1 month, my lord. So, my lord, it will be matter will be solved, my lord. I am already produced a judgment of the Madras High Court, my lord, where this was allowed, man. That is the case, my lord.
Lordship, from what I understand from my learned friend instructions is that maybe the petitioner has probably sought alternative prayers, my lord, for whatever this court may be pleased to grant him or her. My lord, that she may be allowed to sit in the mop-up counseling or she may be allowed to continue with her earlier seat. But what my learned friend has brought the instructions on record, it appears that, my lord, possibly mop-up round or stray round, as the my lord nomenclature might go, that possibly might not be permissible, but maybe she might be allowed to continue in her earlier seat, my lord. Possibly
That is
that's
my
what my
submission,
learned
my
friend
lord.
is placing, my lord.
That is my submission.
If the DME allows, my lord, then the NMC has, my lord, no issues to it.
After your first counseling, you were admitted in the
Lakhimpur Medical College, I do classes in Lakhimpur Medical College 1.5 month, my lord.
They will dispose of this matter.
Yes, ma'am.
But Mr. NNP Chowdhury, London Council for the petitioner. Must have also heard Mr. S. Buyan, Learned Standing Council Higher Education for respond number 1, 3, and 4. Mr.
B. Gogoi is the member of particular.
B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council Health Department for the respond number 2
Small numbers 2,
and 5.
2, and 5. Yes, sir.
And Mr.
DK Boito, my lord.
B.K. Boitia, Learned Standing Council
NMC for 6.
NMC for the respond number 6. Stop. Para. The petitioner qualified in the national eligibility cum entrance test for the year 2024 by securing 630 marks out of 720 marks. Stop. Accordingly, the petitioner participated in the first round of counseling and thereafter she was admitted to the Lakhimpur Medical College, Lakhimpur. Stop. While the petitioner was attending her classes in the Lakhimpur Medical College, Lakhimpur, she applied for upgradation in the third round of counseling. Stop. However, while making her application, she inadvertently committed a mistake by entering the code of the college.
Instead of 101, I
as-
put 202.
1 minute, as 202 instead of 101. Stop. Thereafter, she was allotted a seat in the Government Dental College, Diprugarh. Stop. Para. It is the case of the petitioner that due to her inadvertent mistake in entering the wrong code number of the college, she has been allotted a seat in the Government Dental College, Diprugarh, and the same amounts to downgradation. Stop. It is submitted that the mistake committed by the petitioner in entering the wrong code of the college as 202 instead of 101 was an inadvertent mistake, and due to her mistake, she may not be downgraded by allotting a seat in the Government Dental College, Diprugarh. Stop. Further submission is made that the petitioner is willing to join back to the Lakhimpur Medical College, not Lakhimpur, in terms of her allotment after her first counseling. Stop. Para. Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, Health Department, has furnished a communication dated 28/10/2024. No, don't say have furnished a communication on instructions. Submits that the petitioner was provisionally admitted into the first year MBBS course at Lakhimpur Medical College, not Lakhimpur, as per her merit position and choice of an institution for the session 2024 after the first round of counseling under the unreserved category. Stop. Thereafter, the petitioner participated again in the third round of counseling for admission into the MBBS/BDS courses, session 2024 for change of her college, and she was selected in the BTS course at the Government Dental College as per her merit position and choice of institution for the session 2024 as entered by her in the admission in the form. Stop. Learned Standing Council Health Education, Health Department also submits that in terms of the notice published by the National Medical Commission dated 22/10/2024, those candidates who have already participated the counseling for MBBS/BTS course, session 2024, and joined up to third round of counseling cannot participate in the stray vacancy round of counseling in the same session. Stop. He therefore submits that the petitioner is not eligible for the stray vacancy round of counseling as she was already admitted in the MBBS course at the Lakhimpur Medical College, not Lakhimpur. Stop. On instructions, Mr. B. Gogoi, the Standing Council Health Department, also submits that in terms of the order passed by this court on 25/10/2024, comma, one seat in the MBBS course at the Lakhimpur Medical College, comma, North Lakhimpur, is kept vacant. Stop. Para. Mr. B.D. Baitial and the Standing Council NMC submits that the DME is the appropriate authority who,
Decide upon it.
who would have a final decision in the present issue. Stop. Para. After considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as by the learned standing council health department, this court is of the considered view that the petitioner was allotted a seat in the government dental college, Dibrugarh, only on the in view of the entry made by her, in view of the wrong entry made by her with regard to the court, with regard to the court of the college as 202 instead of 101. Stop. In fact, the intention of the petitioner was to go to a higher medical college instead of being downgraded to the dental medical college. Stop. Para. No, we'll continue. The inadvertent mistake made by the petitioner cannot be held against her, and particularly taking into consideration that as the respondents have already kept a seat vacant in the Lakhimpur Medical College, not Lakhimpur, and further taking into consideration that the learned counsel for the petitioner, the submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is willing to go back to her earlier allotted seat, i.e. the North Lakhimpur, the Lakhimpur Medical College, comma, North Lakhimpur. This writ petition is disposed of, directing the authorities to permit the petitioner to join to her first allotment, to her first allotment, to her seat allotted in the Lakhimpur Medical College, Lakhimpur, and be permitted to pursue her course thereafter. Stop. With the above directions and observations, writ petition is disposed.
Much obliged.
Much obliged.
36.
The petitioner, my lord, strange order has been passed. Since 1999, my lord, she has been working as a teacher. From 1999, she has been working as a teacher. From May 2006, she was not paid salaries. We filed a writ petition.
2000?
From May 2006, my lord, salary was not paid. So we came before this court. Court directed to do the needful, my lord. If she is serving, the pay amount has to be paid. Then this writ petition, your lordship will get it at page 21, appropriate my lord, paragraph. May I just read this page 21? This is a copy of the judgment dated 22/1/19. The case projected by the petitioner, page paragraph 9.
Yes.
Yeah. The case projected by the petitioner portrays a very sorry state of affairs, since the petitioner has been allowed to continue in her service as an assistant teacher pursuant to her selection and appointment by the order dated 4/12/99, and also paid her salaries till April 2006. There cannot be any reason for non-payment of her salary since the month of May 2006 till date. Though this writ petition was filed in the year 15, even during pendency of the writ petition, no redressal measures were taken to pay the salaries of the petitioner.
It is neither the case of the respondent that the petitioner is not discharging her duties as a teacher pursuant to attachment to the number Jalkhana LP school, which is under the general area. The present employment of the petitioner being in the general area, there is no involvement of the BTC also. In view of such facts and circumstances, the present lead petition is disposed of directing the Director Education to verify as to whether the petitioner is discharging her duties as an assistant teacher of so-and-so school, and upon such verification, it is found that the petitioner is indeed discharging her duties in the said school as an assistant teacher. Her salaries, both area and current salaries, should be paid. Against this order, Mala, they preferred a review petition. This order is, your lordship will get it as, the order has been passed at page 27. Relevant portion of the order passed in review. Paragraph 12. In view of the aforesaid facts and circumstances, this court is of the view that no ground for review has been made out, and the same is accordingly dismissed. Since the bona fide of the review applicant is itself questionable, this court proposes to impose a cost of 50,000 rupees. Cost was given. Ultimately, they preferred a read appeal, and read appeal order, your lordship will get it at page it starts from page 28. Relevant is at page 31. Paragraph 6 and 7. At the same time, we do not find any case for interference of the impugn order passed by the learned single judge, whereby a direction is issued to the Director Elementary Education to pay the arrear and current salaries to the respondent for the post of so-and-so. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the respondent that till date, the respondent is serving as an assistant teacher, and this fact has not been disputed by the learned counsel for the appellants. In such circumstances, a month's time is granted to the appellants to comply with the impugn order passed by the learned single judge. We make it clear that if the arrear of the salary have not been paid within a period of 30 days from today, the appellant shall be liable to pay interest at 9%. So, during this, after this order, they have not complied with the order. We filed a contempt case, and in contempt, a notice has been issued. In the meantime, some amount has been paid, but suddenly this order pays 39. He is the senior-most teacher of the school, senior-most lady teacher of the school. In pursuance of the government letter number so-and-so, assistant teacher so-and-so of the Nalbari is hereby temporarily attached to the Department of School Education, Janata Bhavan, Dispur, with immediate effect. The incumbent has to report before the Secretary, Department of School Education on 28 October 24 without fail. Your lordship knows that under that particular that RTI Act, there is a procedure for transferring a teacher. This is not a transfer, my lord, as a teacher. This is an attachment, her attachment to the Department of School Education, depriving of her that experience of teaching. So your lordship knows that section 5, there is a competent authority there to, suggest for recommending for transfer of a teacher.
Let us.
All,
No, I have it here.
yes, section 5.
Page.
Page, it starts from, my lord, it starts from page 8 of this book. And section 4 is, my lord, principle for maintaining PTR norms. Has your lordship got it?
Yes.
Then section 5 is competent authority for recommending transfer of teachers as per PTR norms. The state level committee, as mentioned below, shall be the competent authority for recommending interstate, inter-district transfer of teachers of elementary schools in accordance with this act. So these are the committee members. Then subsection subpara 6 of section 5. The appointing authority shall issue the inter-school transfer order of teachers within the district on the basis of recommendations of the district level committee, on being satisfied that the recommendation is made in accordance with the provisions of section 4 of this act. Now there is an amendment to this act. I must bring to your lordship's notice. Yes, there is an amendment made on 24th October. That means the government can, in exigencies of service. Yeah. Why they? They have made an amendment in 2020, my lord. Government in the school education department for administrative exigencies may transfer or shift any teacher at any time during a year for rationalization or shifting of teachers, which is done throughout the year. For rationalization, my lord, if they want to do it, that the recommendations of the committee is a must. Besides this, my lord, she is the senior most teacher of the school, lady teacher of the school. And during the pendency of this contempt petition, you are transferred. Obviously, my lord, the reason is, my lord, harassment, nothing else. Man. She will have to leave her husband, who is ailing, my lord. I have given all the details of her husband. And
He was supposed to join yesterday.
she was supposed to join yesterday.
Then what happened?
Not, she did not join. She is here in this school.
Yes.
She can't join, my lord. She is from Nalbari. Her husband is suffering from kidney problem and the two other diseases I have given in the paragraph. And they are the only person, their children are staying outside. So now they are intending that she will leave the teaching job. She will come and join in the office of the directorate. And this has been having been done during the pendency of the contempt petition. And some part of the 50% of the compliance is there because they paid some salaries. 50% have not been paid. And now they are saying, no, you go and join. Current salaries also they have not paid. So under these circumstances, my lord,
39 the order impugned in this petition, my lord. My lord, the director has issued this order. It appears, my lord, that this order is issued by the director in pursuance of a government letter, my lord. Your lordship will find the first line itself. This order is passed on the basis of this direction. My lord. This is not a part of record in the writ petition. My lord. Let me have my instruction on Monday, my lord. And the date she was supposed to join has already gone. The lordship will record my submission, my lord. We will not take any coursive action on that. For not that. Lordship will give us time till Monday.
We'll suspend this order till Monday.
Instead of passing that, my lord, we will not insist on her reporting. My lord will record my submission.
No, unless it is stayed, my lord, it will be difficult on her part, my lord, to continue her service.
Lordship will record my submission.
Heard Mr. B.D. Das, learned senior counsel assisted by MS. R. Dekal and counsel for the petition. Stop. By way of the present writ petition, the petitioner is challenging the order dated 24th October 2024, issued by the Director Elementary Education Assam, by which the petitioner is temporarily attached to the department, by which the petitioner, who is serving as assistant teacher of 1131 number Jalkhana LP School under BEO, what is it? Pap Nalbari. Poop East Nalbari of Nalbari district is temporarily attached to the Department of School Education, Janada Bhavan, Dispur, with immediate effect. The order further prescribes, directs the petitioner to report before the Secretary, Department of School Education on 28 October 2024 without fail. Stop. Sapara. It is the case of the petitioner that the order dated 24 October 2024 has been passed in violation of Section 4 and Section 5 of the Assam Elementary and Secondary School Teachers within bracket Regulation of Posting and Transfer Act 2020. Stop. Para. Mr. B. Kaushik, learned, standing counsel. Elementary, isn't it?
Secondary.
But this is
Oh,
not
sorry, elementary.
Elementary Education Department. prays for some time to enable him to receive instructions. He further submits that until a final order is passed by this court, the order dated 24th October 2024, the petitioner would not be uh, the petitioner
Coercive action.
uh, he further submits that no coercive steps would be taken against the petitioner in terms of the order dated uh, dated 24th October 2024. Stop. Recording the submission made by the London Standing Council Limited Commission. No interim order is passed today. Stop. List the matter on.
4th or 5th, anything.
Okay. It's up to you.
My lord will fix it on 5th.
That is the hearing day.
Six.
No interim order is called for, I think.
Hmm?
In view of his submission, no interim order, your lordship has passed the order.
No. I've said no interim order is passed today.
Yes,
Today.
And only one aspect your lordship says, section 5 and 4 and 5. And also, my lord, without complying with the judgment passed by the Oblige.
Two of daily list, they were getting application.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, I have filed I for vacating the expert interim order dated 18/11/2019, Lordship. Lordship, unqualified candidate has been. My pleasure, Lordship.
Yes.
Unqualified student has been challenged the Lordship selection list, Lordship, who has not been selected. Lordship, kindly come to I in Lordship. Page number 24, Lordship. It was expert interim order passed by the Honorable Court, Lordship.
Page
24, Lordship. Of I, Lordship, in I, Lordship. And awardee part is Lordship 26, Lordship. This order, Lordship. Till returnable.
1 minute.
Last line, Lordship. Last paragraph of 26, Lordship. Yes. In I, Lordship.
Yes.
Till returnable date, no appointment shall be made to the post of grade 4 in Pokriagram College, Pokrajar, in terms of the advertisement dated 29/10/2018, Lordship. What happened in this petition, Lordship? Advertisement was issued 29/10/2018, Lordship. In pursuance of the advertisement dated, Lordship, 87 candidate also appeared in this interview, Lordship, at around 29 and 30 July 2019.
This writ petition is still pending?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Including the
Okay.
applicant, Lordship.
Okay.
And applicant secured highest mark, Lordship. Kindly come to Lordship selection list. 15, Lordship.
Page
15, Lordship. In I, Lordship.
Page 15.
15. 1/5, Lordship.
Hmm.
15, Lordship. What is Lordship?
Yes.
Moidul Islam, Lordship. 32 marks, Lordship. And Lordship, a read petitioner was got, Lordship, or secured, Lordship, 11 marks, Lordship. Kindly come to page number 12, Lordship. Page 12, Lordship. Shuklal Dev, no, Lordship. At serial number 25.
Yes, this is the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship. Petitioner got a secured, Lordship, only 12 mark. 12 mark in this interview, Lordship. And petitioner challenged the selection process, Lordship. And after the selection, Lordship, and resolution was met, Lordship, page number 16, and sent to the higher authority, Lordship, for approval of the post, Lordship, for appointment. And writ petitioner is totally unqualified candidate, Lordship, in interview, Lordship, and he has been challenged, unsuccessful candidate, Lordship, and he has been challenged in selection list, Lordship, and selection process, Lordship.
In the writ petition,
Yes, Lordship.
the petitioner alleged that there were a number of irregularities committed in the selection process and that 3 members of the governing body had opposed the select list. And
Lordship, selection list was prepared by the expert body of this
and
college.
they
Lordship.
demanded correction of the select list, alleging that there were some changes in the resolution of the governing body. These are some allegations made by the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship. And petition and writ petition, Lordship, writ petitioner totally, Lordship, misled the court, Lordship, and stated that no selection list was hanging in the board, Lordship. Lordship, selection list also hanging the board and published selection list. Everything is done by the expert body, Lordship, in fair manner, Lordship.
Who is appearing for the governing body? Is the governing body a party in the writ petition?
Yes, Lord. Respondent 4, Lordship, governing body.
Anybody appearing for respondent number 4?
File local maybe shown road.
Oh, respondent number 4, somebody is appearing.
Wahab, I think.
A Wahab. When did you file this IA?
Lordship, 121/8/2024, Lordship.
Writ petition was filed in 2019. Why are you coming with the IA in the year 2024?
Lordship, in newly implemented as a respondent, Lordship.
You?
Yes, Lordship.
Oh, you were newly implemented.
Yes, Lordship.
When were you implemented?
Implemented on, Lordship,
Okay. These are Lordship.
All affidavit has been filed in the writ petition.
For BTC, Lordship, and
Filed,
also filed.
BTCS file for inquiry was conducted by the within Joint Directorate of Western Province. I have filed affidavit lordship. There is some anomalies, Lord.
There are some anomalies.
So inquiry report is annexed.
Here,
Here.
in the writ
In-
petition.
Yes, Lordship.
My affidavit, Lord.
Where's your affidavit?
That order
My
also.
affidavit filed by the Director of Education,
Order?
respondent number 3. Running page 4, please.
Respondent 3.
Respondent number 3.
Where's the inquiry?
Inquiry report is annexed. Lordship. Page 44.
1 minute. Yes.
There's the selection process negative fact. Work 143.
Then we can go for a disposal of the writ petition instead of considering the IA. It will be better.
Press selection process.
As per in their report, there is anomalies there. Lordship.
Then we'll fix a date for disposal. When do you want?
Thought that may be given.
For this may be given, Lordship, because
In the IA, you write down.
this post was vacant till 2019, Lordship.
But Mr.
Alim Sheikh, Lordship.
Alim
The
Sheikh,
applicant.
learned counsel for the applicant, as well as Mr. J.U. Ahmed,
Yes.
learned counsel for the opposite party number 1. Stop. For after hearing parties, comma, this court is of the consent of it that it would be in the interest of justice to dispose of the main writ petition instead of hearing the present item. Stop. Accordingly, list these matters on when?
What did
November.
12th,
12, Lord.
12th November for final disclosure.
11, Lordship.
11 is not a hearing day, it's a motion day.
Obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
3. Admission. Order number.
Dia kapas kung dia.
You've got a copy?
Yes, my lord. Hey, kita selected as well. My lord,
These are all correct?
correct.
Now,
I have, I have.
now
I have-
maybe you'll have to take some instructions.
Lordship, from
My
here,
lord, our constitution is, petitioner's constitution is Borama constituency.
Barabar.
Yes, my lord, and I have.
What is serial number 3, 1006? What Ahmed?
Yes, Ahmed, I couldn't
It is not clear.
Not clear, my lord. I could not-
Page 20.
Page 21, 20. It's like this one. Some Ahmed, my lord. I couldn't follow. Not clear, my lord.
Okay, whatever it is.
My lord, in
Rest of the other names are there.
in this case, the 19 and 25, who is a junior to my lord petitioner. Petitioner is 17, my lord. Serial number is 17. Both of them were got old pension scheme. 17, 19, 18. I have find out the name of the Latika Devi and Ajit Dekka, my lord. The copy which
Latika Digi or Lalika?
Latika,
Lalika.
Latika actually, not Lalika, Latika.
Also 25 Ojit Deka, who is junior to the petitioner, your lordship. In my list, your lordship, the list that I had faced on the last occasion, your lordship.
1 minute.
Yeah, không biết số muốn tất này, vì không explain này này kia.
Lordship, it is at Ojit Deka. He is at serial number 22 in my list, your lordship. 22.
No, this is not a select list. Mine is select list.
Lordship, from the select list only we had taken out because last time the copy was illegible, so that
No, it is select list. No, that is the list which who has getting
yes, yes,
old
Lordship.
pension
Yes,
scheme.
yes.
And mine,
Because,
mine is select list,
Lordship,
which I have submitted today.
He was given old pension scheme because his date of joining is 94.
Maybe, but we are similar
94.
situated.
Lordship is C at serial number 1, 2, and 3. This is from the same list, your lordship.
2 entries, no? Yes.
Bijuli Talukdar, the list that has been given by the petitioner, your lordship, which is at serial number 10, Boroma constituency. Serial number 10, and in my list, it is serial number 1.
Bijuli Talukdar, no?
Bijuli Talukdar, her date of appointment is 16/9/2014, your lordship. In my list, your lordship. 16/9.
And how about this Bhavananda Mishra?
Bhavananda Mishra, your lordship.
9 Nikita.
You do one thing, Mushari.
Lordship.
Since you've got the list now.
Yes. Yeah, I'll give the
MSK Devi Legal Council for the petitioner has furnished a type copy of annexure Roman 2, I, page 20 and 21 of the petition. Stop. Para MS D. Mushari, Learned Standing Council.
secondary.
Secondary education shall accordingly take instruction.
91 should be by
When do you want?
Lordship, I'll at least 2 weeks may be given because again the record from all the schools has to be taken, your lordship. 3 weeks will be lordship required.
2 weeks, no?
When?
Lordship, 3 weeks, your lordship.
I'll have to fix a date.
Lordship. November, lordship on November, lordship. 18, your lordship. 18 or 20th, 20.
20 November.
20.
Mr. B. Sharma, Leonard.
No, my lord, lordship kindly fix the date on 19, Tuesday, madam. Because it is a hearing, admission hearing.
19.
On that time, no, Wednesday. Hello, bless.
And for the regime, number 7.
Mr. B. Sharma, Leonard Standing Council, appears for the Accountant General.
I am here for finance.
And Mr. R. Varbujari, Leonard Standing Council, appears for the Finance Department.
The NPS.
My lord, My lord, at 2 o'clock, my lord, an unlisted matter has been mentioned in the morning. My lord, in that, my lord, an affidavit we have filed today, my lord, may be call on records, my lord. We have filed it today. The medical admission matter, my lord.
Okay. Not at two, no? Hmm? Okay.
Waste, my lord. And I have been informed that the standing council medical was not informed about the mentioning of the matter. My lord, this matter.
My lord, I sent the message. I talked to him.
Nothing
He said
survives,
that
my lord.
he said that it is matter between NTA and me. So if it is decided in favor of me, they will comply. And if not, they will not. That's he told me over telephone. He similarly also told to him.
Correct answer keys have given, my lord, the technical, my lord, the agency which is maintaining the website, my lord, they have given a certificate under 65B saying that these are the correct answer keys. Nothing survives.
My lord,
the
your
allegations
lordship
are all
may
baseless.
remember, recollect, my lord. On the other day, my London friend said that the website I have downloaded from the neat.ntaonline.in is not the website, official website of the NTA. But today, they've changed their view 180 degree, my lord. Now they are saying,
stated, that is the correct.
my lord, kindly see the paragraph 5, my lord, of the affidavit filed today, my lord. The last day, my London friend said it is not their website, my lord. They submitted before your lordship. Today, they are saying, yes, it is part of our integral part of the main website, where I have downloaded. Now, my lord, then, my lord, kindly see that nowhere they have said that they have not uploaded and I have downloaded from the wrong website. Number one, my lord. Nowhere, no certificate is saying that. Certificate is only saying that limited part. They are saying they have uploaded in this and that website. That does not mean that they have not, they are indirectly admitting me, my lord.
Have you seen this document?
Yes, my lord.
From this, what more can we do?
Yes, my lord. My submission is that, my lord. Nowhere they have mentioned that they are saying for the certificate it is uploaded in this and that website. Nowhere they said that it is not uploaded in that, not uploaded in this web, and what I have mean. Earlier they said it is not part of their website. Now they are saying integral part of their website, number one. Number two, Your Honor, kindly have a look the last page of their affidavit in opposition filed earlier. They themselves also downloaded and submitted from the other website, my lord, they themselves, which is not mentioned in the this certificate in the affidavit. Kindly turn to the last page.
No, according to this revised answer sheets,
my lord,
which has been uploaded,
my lord,
and is certified by the, who is this?
So it is the
the maintaining agency, my lord,
Maintaining agency.
Yes. They are saying.
Do you have any dispute to that revised answer sheets?
No, my lord. Answer, I have no dispute, but the dispute is only that, Your Honor. They are not saying that they have not uploaded in the website I have mentioned, where I have downloaded. Nowhere said that. They're keeping it mum very cleverly. Nowhere they have mentioned. They are saying we have uploaded in A and B, but not saying that we have not uploaded in C. They are saying C is part of integral part of A and B, integral part. And they are saying that X student can access, it is mentioned in the portal for their activities. That is also admitted. But nowhere they have cleverly mentioned that, very cleverly it kept mum, that it is not uploaded in C, what I am claiming, Your Honor. Number two, my lord, kindly see the page they have downloaded and annexed with the affidavit in opposition, my scorecard, they have also downloaded from another portal, my lord. Kindly have a look. This is not these two, where they are claiming to have uploaded only. There are many websites they have uploaded, 2 plus 1 plus more. But kindly see the last page they have downloaded from another website themselves. NXT. Number
whatever that controversy may be.
Maybe, my lord.
Whatever the final clinching issue,
my lord,
is this document of 25/10/2024 given by the maintaining agency.
My lord.
It says these answers are still in the website.
No, my lord. What happened? They are saying they are available in these two websites. They have mentioned. But they are not, never they have said that they are admitting that the website I have downloaded from, they are admitting that yes, now it is a part of our website, integral part of where student can access and see.
No one is, in fact, my lord, page 19 annexure, which
my lord,
the petitioners annex, they are not able to satisfy the court, my lord, from where they have downloaded.
I'm coming to that, my lord.
Categorically in the
I'm coming to that. I'll satisfy your lordship. I'll satisfy my lord.
Document.
Kindly turn to page paragraph 5, my lord, of the today's affidavit, my lord.
Oh, I want that.
My lord. That with regard to the aberrations made in para 2 of the additional affidavit dated 22/10/24, that is, my lord, which I have filed claiming that I have downloaded from the website by the petitioner, it is stated that the web link www.neet.ntaonline.in mentioned in the additional affidavit in the petitioner is the integral part of the main website through which the candidates get access to their activity portal. However, the answer keys annexed by the petitioner is not correct. They come to the point, my lord. Now, my lord, my point is only another point, maybe, my lord, prove before your lordship, my lord. At present, let my learned friend's mobile give to me. I can prove that today also this website is maintained and my scorecard is available there also. I can now, in front of your lordship, I can prove it now by his mobile, or your lordship through your any assistant can prove from the court's computer, my lord. I will give my lord, my enrollment number, my date of birth. It is coming till now. It is coming.
That answer sheet which you have, the answer key which you have
annexed in annexion at page 19.
Downloaded.
Yes.
Annexed in your
yes.
petition.
Yes, ma'am.
Where did you download that from? From which website did you download?
Exactly. This is neat. That is mentioned in my. Yes,
page,
my lord.
Page 19, isn't it?
Page 19 of the writ petition. Page 19 of the writ petition.
From where have you downloaded this?
Yes, my lord. That is, I have mentioned that my lord, neat ntaonline.in. That is, they are saying integral part. Earlier they said it is not their website. Now they are claiming that it is integral part. Number two, your honor, I can prove in his mobile that today also this website is maintained and my scorecard is available till now. Today I have downloaded once. Last night I downloaded once. And now I can prove that till they are maintaining the website and where my scorecard is also available. The answer key was removed thereafter, your honor, my lord. That it was not kept permanently. It was removed thereafter from this website, my lord. Till we could not find it. And my lord, they are saying that it is only for portal for candidates activities, my lord. Kindly see till the same scorecard which they have annexed.
The
and I
answer
have annexed.
key, the answer key,
My lord, not the scorecard.
which was uploaded,
Yes, my lord.
the first answer key
Yes.
and the second answer key after interference by the Supreme Court.
Supreme Court, my lord.
Both these answers keys are still available on the
Yes.
website.
Yes, my lord.
From where have you got this?
My lord, they are saying that I have not downloaded from the this website, and there is no other website to be downloaded. They are
Then
claiming.
this answer key is still there?
No, my lord, it is removed thereafter. It is removed.
These are all
It is removed, my lord. One thing
These are
can
all
be,
disputed
my lord.
questions.
One thing can be understood, my lord. My lord, till date, they are maintaining the same website and with my scorecard also, because answer key removed thereafter. And still that he is maintaining the scorecard. I can show in his mobile also, my lord.
And it is the
And my lord, kindly see, my lord, the last page of their affidavit, my lord. They have also downloaded from another website. They have themselves, not from these two websites A and B they have mentioned, and they have managed it in the affidavit. They have also downloaded from another this my lord.
Because this question this court has asked you on the very beginning, because this answer key which you have annexed at page 19 of your writ petition, this same answer key was produced by the Learned Studying Council,
the correct one.
and
Yes.
this court found that there were some dissimilarities, particularly with regard to the heading.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. It was said like
And therefore, this court asked a question.
yes.
From where did you download this?
Exactly, my lord. I have filed affidavit in this regard on the other day. In paragraph 2, I have mentioned.
Where is the one that you have
That is annexed with my affidavit, my lord, which I have.
in opposition?
Yes. Not in opposition, my lord, the latest, the certificates which we have given.
No. Yes,
answer-
page 19. Similar one which you have annexed.
The correct one. On page 19 is an incorrect answer. key.
That's why, that correct one.
The correct one, my lord, it is in the affidavit in opposition also, and my lord, it is in my affidavit which I have filed, which is the latest affidavit which I have filed, my lord. Page 150. 150, my lord.
One five one, I think.
151 is the revised.
Okay.
150 is the one which was published first at the point of time, my lord. And the answers given here in the answer key and the one which is annexed by the petitioner, my lord, those answers are completely mismatching.
Yes, my lord. It is mismatching, my lord. That is the main issue.
And
Climax, my
the
lord.
counsel
Practical.
petitioner, my lord, is not disputing the subsequent one. The revised answer key which was published, my lord, after the Supreme Court judgment, that, my lord, he is not disputing that. And on the basis of that, he is securing, my lord, less marks. What else survives, my lord?
My lord, this
He is disputing the first answer key, whereas the revised answer key, my lord, on the basis of which his
lord,
marks have been calculated.
main dispute is that, my lord. The answer key is the dispute, my lord. My lord, the last time they also, my lord, similarly, my lord, they disputed my OMR sheet.
This is the first answer key, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
After that, after the interference by the Supreme Court,
There was a revised
Revised.
answer key.
are you disputing that?
My lord, revised, I have not, revised because there is only one question, one issue, 190.
No, according to the revised answer key,
Yes, my lord.
do you qualify?
Yes. Yes, my lord. That is
No, he
my
doesn't
stand.
qualify.
That
Do
is
you
my-
qualify?
No, my lord. That is not the one what I have got from the download from the website, my lord. This is not the one, the different one.
What he has downloaded.
I'm
that-
now on a different issue. First answer key, there's a difference.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Had the Supreme Court not interfered, it would take a different turn.
Different.
But with the interference of the Supreme Court, they had to publish another answer key.
Answer key.
Second answer key,
Second answer,
which was on one particular date.
my lord.
Are you disputing that answer key or not?
Well, I am disputing.
You are disputing that answer
Yes,
key
yes,
after interference.
yes, my
No, after interference by the Supreme Court.
no, but that is not the issue, my lord. What I
And that's why I'm asking you one question.
Hmm.
Are you disputing that second answer key? Are you disputing that?
second answer key, my lord, is not matching with this mine one. What I have submitted before your lord.
How can his one be correct, my lord? He is just, my lord, imagining and making this.
Are you talking about the first answer key?
My lord, yes, first answer key.
I'm talking about the second
So, my
answer
lord,
key.
second one and first one is exactly same, only except the question number 19. Exactly same, my lord, except question number 19. Exactly same.
Okay.
Only one question or the question
Okay.
is the same.
Then second one, you're not disputing.
My lord, the
Second one, you're not disputing.
my lord, I'm disputing both are the same, my lord. 1 and 2 are same, my lord. 1 and 2 are same, and which is not matching with mine one.
Cannot be same, my lord. It's a revised answer key.
It is a revised answer
Subsequent
key,
to
learned
Supreme
counsel.
Court.
My lord, revised is what, my lord? Only regarding question number 19, there was a defect in answer dispute. Someone is saying 2 is correct answer, someone is saying 3 is correct answer. So Supreme Court said on that, you correct it. Then the 5 only other entire out of 200 question 119 and question answer remains same. Answer key remains same. Only change is only regarding only question number 19.
Anybody, any candidate is disputing that revised answer key.
Nobody is disputing.
Any candidate is disputing that revised answer key.
My lord,
Even he is not disputing, my
my
lord.
lord, I have downloaded from the website. My lord. Kindly see, my lord. They're disputing. They were last time exactly the same thing as we disputed the OMR sheet. When the honorable court found that my stand is correct, I have annexed the order in the petition, my lord. When the honorable court, after calling the original OMR sheet, they disputed that. That time, my lord.
I'm not going into what happened. I'm talking about the present case. You argue on the present case.
In the repetition, my lord.
They are behaving like this with me in earlier. The honorable court found that they are wrong and I am correct, my lord. They are making disputed question of fact so that it is not decided, my lord, under 226. That is the only target they have done earlier also this time.
No, this petition.
Because 226, they are trying to make it disputed question of fact so that it cannot be decided under 226. And I will be deprived like earlier.
Would I rather pray, my lord, this petition should be dismissed with heavy cost, my lord, wasting the time of the honorable court. Nothing survives, my lord. This second answer key, there is no averment in the writ petition about that second, my lord, answer key, which was published after the Supreme Court judgment. He is not disputing that. And on the basis of that, my lord, he is securing 51 marks. So for the first answer key, even presuming, my lord, to be correct, although we are not admitting it, my lord, we are saying the answer key which the petitioner is annexed is a fraudulent one. It is for the petitioner to establish from where he has downloaded. He cannot ask the question from the authorities, my lord.
My lord,
we have given a certificate in the 65B, the agency which is maintaining the website. My lord, rather, my lord, they have given the certificate under the Evidence Act.
My lord,
verifying the authenticity that those answer keys are still there in the website.
My lord, they in their certificate, what the certificate I have gone through, my. They are very cleverly silent. Whether they have uploaded in the website I have downloaded, they are kept mum. Whether they are maintaining, kept mum. Kept mum, my lord, and though nowhere saying, and my lord, this website where from I have downloaded, till they are maintaining and till my scorecard is there, my lord, as of now. And my lord, they themselves annex the my lord, this answer key, sorry, my lord, scorecard from another website, from minus these two. Minus these two, there it is, my lord, before the lordship, it is clearly my incorrect.
This court cannot go into all this.
No other website.
My lord, kindly.
You have to establish your case. That's all.
My lord, kindly have a look at the page, last page, 132 page, my lord. Kindly. 132, my lord. The affidavit in opposition, last page filed by my learned friend, my lord, earlier. Page 132, my lord. My lord, kindly see the top of the, my lord, the NEEET test nation and NTA online.in. That is, they have downloaded from this website and annexed it, relying on it before your lordship. Kindly turn to their letter, now certificate. Whether they are saying they have uploaded in this website, no. They are saying only A and B, they have uploaded only A and B website, but they are not mentioning even this one, where they themselves are relying. How can my lord, applicant can play with such a big, my lord, institution, my lord? They are so highly technically very highly reached, my lord. Kindly see, this one is not matching with the certificates given A and B website they have uploaded. They are saying this is they have downloaded from another website. How they can say today the website I have downloaded is not the correct, my lord? Kindly see, compare, my lord, this website address with the certificate given in today's affidavit, my lord.
What website is this?
No, this is a website, my lord, when the score marks are checked, my lord, in the scorecard. But so far as other informations regarding, my lord, answer keys, those link, my lord, goes to the website which we have given in the certificate. This is only for checking the marks, my lord. On the screen, those website, there is another link, my lord, which will take for more information. My lord, it is, my lord, exams.nta, and it will take to the other links, my lord. This is the website only for checking the marks, my lord. My lord will see the score re-revised that has been when a candidate, my lord, in the heading, my lord, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test 2024 scorecard re-revised.
Where's that? No, no.
Page 132. My lord.
It's the same page, my lord.
Same page, 132. When a candidate, my lord, types his roll number to check the marks, this will come, my lord. And this is a re-revised score pursuant to the second answer key, which is absolutely not in dispute.
My lord, the same sheet, my lord, may be downloaded and maybe tested by, I can prove to my learned friend now in his mobile that it is the same thing is downloaded in the website I have downloaded from. The same available. I have tested just a few minutes back also whether it is still existing or not.
Where's your scorecard?
Yes, my lord, this page, my lord, this last page, 132.
132 is your scorecard.
Scorecard, my lord.
According to you, the scorecard is how much?
51, my lord, 656.
51.
Yes, I'm claiming for 656, my lord.
656.
And my lord, this same my lord document is also can be downloaded now at this moment from the website I have downloaded from my answer key. Till it is there. This scorecard is there. They are not they have not saying that they have not uploaded the answer key in this one. They have not mentioned. They kept mum very cleverly.
Scorecard is correct, my lord. We are not disputing this. Correct.
This one is correct.
My lord, they have saying that the website I have downloaded from. The main question is that, my lord, dispute they are raised. The website I have downloaded from and I have downloaded the document is not correct. Kindly see, this website is still maintaining my document after fulfilling my mobile number, my date of birth, my roll number is coming till now. This scorecard is coming from the website I have downloaded. From that download is till now it is coming. I can prove before your lordship and in my learned friend mobile.
Whether he is disputing the answer key, my lord, that is the issue. He is not setting anything on the re-revised answer keys, my lord, which was published subsequent to the Supreme Court intervention, my lord. If he is not disputing the re-revised answer keys, my lord, nothing remains, my lord. On the basis of that, he secured 51 marks.
Was there an entry motor passed? Where's the entry motor?
One seat, my
lord, is the IA, my lord.
It's passed in the IA?
Yes, 2398. But dated 8824, my lord. Sorry, my lord, not the original mark sheet. My lord, the dated 12/8, my lord. Order dated 12/8.
It's up to you. You want to file an affidavit, reply to this affidavit, we'll file it, but I'm vacating the entry.
My lord, I have to file, my lord, because
No, I'm vacating the entry.
My lord,
but any appointment to one post shall be subject to the outcome. Any seat, it will be subject to the outcome. That's all. That much I can. That much I can protect you.
My lord.
Then you can file your affidavit.
Yes, my lord, because I have remaining up to your lordship, and I have what I have to submit, my lord. Kindly see, these are they themselves are kept silent, my lord.
Mr. A.K. Talukta, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Praise for 1 week time?
My lord.
Praise for a week's time. To file reply. To the, where's your affidavit in opposition?
My lord.
To the affidavit in opposition. Filed by the respondent number 5 and 6 on 29 October 2024. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List the matter on 21.
My lord, the first week, maybe, my lord.
7th November.
7th, my lord, I will be out, my lord. Second week, my lord, of November.
12th,
Well, getting too late, my lord, this is also impact.
12th of November.
After all, it
Stop.
become useless, my lord.
Mr. H. Gupta, learned. Your the
CGC, my lord.
submits that today is the last date.
Today is the last date, my lord.
No,
for
no, 30th.
Tomorrow, my lord.
That
Counseling.
the 30th October 2024 is the last date for
The counseling, my lord. Counseling to be over.
for the
Counseling for admission to MBBS, my lord.
for the counseling for the MBBS course for the year
Admission, my
for the year 2024. Stop. He therefore submits that if the interim order is allowed to continue, one seat would be wasted. Stop. But accordingly, comma, the interim order dated 12/8/2024 passed by this court in IA within bracket civil oblique 2398 oblique 2024 is modified by allowing the respondents to fill up the set post to fill up this to fill up the set one seat of MBBS for the session 2024. Stop. However, comma, the filling up of the said seat would be subject to the outcome of this writ petition. List, did I say list no? 12.
My lord, maybe on 11, my lord.
It's up to you. You want 11?
11, my lord. It may be on 11. All
4 of daily admissions, part of math. Lordship, this is a part-heard matter, and I am a late entrant in this case, Lordship.
You are a
Late entrant in this case. Initially, some other counsels was there. I have prepared the case and everything. I feel, Lordship, the record of the inquiry will be very much essential. Without that, because they are harping on some allegations of proper procedure was not followed. So that record I have requisition, it has not reached me till today. So could it be taken up on in 7th or 8th of this? In the meantime, I'll get the record also. Ultimately, Lordship will also have to peruse the records.
okay. Heard Mr. T. Chakravarti, non-counsel for the petition. Mr. D. Saike, you will be the
I'm a senior counsel for the Guwahati University.
Mr. D. Saike and the senior counsel appearing on behalf of the Guwahati University submits that he has requisitioned the records in connection with the present case. However, he is yet to receive the same, and therefore prays for short adjournment. Stop. Praise allowed. List down.
Keep 7th. Is it
7th November, Lords.
Okay.
What? No.
Okay.
7th. Highly obliged. Five.
Letters and
Ready for hearing?
Well, this matter relates to
Chowdhury, let us be very fair. We have half an hour. I'm raising at 3 because we have that reference also.
yes, my lord.
And
It will take some time. It will take
So,
some time
we
because
can
the
fix-
question here is, my lord, whether the state government is the appointing authority or the, my lord, my lord, the district council can make the appointment. That was the issue that was raised by this court. So, my lord, it will take some time. Let it be some other day.
Okay.
Okay.
Heard Mr. M.K. Chowdhury, learned senior counsel, assisted by
AU1.
A.U. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner.
And for the response of 5 minutes.
Also heard Mr. C. Sharma, learned standing counsel, NC Hills. And Mr. T.J. Mahanda, learned senior counsel for the response number 5. I'll give you a date.
My lord.
If there's some urgency involved, I don't know. Maybe this.
Any date convenient to your lordship, my lord, in the
First week is quite full now. I've been fixing quite a lot of cases.
my lord, any date except my lord 18th November, my lord.
14. Okay. 14. You want it on the hearing day?
Yes, my lord, let it come on a hearing.
12 or 14, you can take your choice.
14, my lord, let it be 14.
Okay. 14.
All right.
See.
Please, your lordship. So, lordship. So in this case, lordship, we have silenced the selection and appointment of the respondent number 8, lordship.
This also, how long it will take?
It will take
some time.
Take some time.
Can be on another date, lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr.
R. Fukan.
R. Fukan, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P.G. Fukan, learned standing counsel, A.K. Henry, State Open University. For the respondents 1 to 6. Mr. S. Buyan, learned standing counsel, higher education. For the respond number 7. And Mr. S.M. Barwa, learned counsel for the respond number 8. Please, the matter.
Can it be on a second week of November, lordship?
Any date?
On 14.
14, we have just fixed one matter, isn't it?
Can it be on 19 or
21.
21, lordship?
Okay.
21 Thursday.
Oblige, lordship.
Most obliged. 21 day.
7, 8, and 9.
Lordship, regarding provincialization,
Pray for some more time to file our affidavit, your lordship.
number 22 matter, my lord. On number
How
of
much time will it?
2 weeks more, your lordship.
Let this be the last chance. This is a 2022 matter.
Yes, your
Have you received instruction?
Yes, your lordship, we have received.
Okay, then if yes,
a date may be fixed and two other similar matter may be posted.
heard Mr.
J. Lashkarman.
J. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner. M.S.H. Teranki, learned standing counsel,
Secondary education.
secondary education, submits that she has received instruction. And placed for 2 weeks time to file affidavits. Praise the Lord. List on 18th.
Lord.
Okay.
Two other similar matter, my lord.
On 18th November. Along with WBC number
3258 of 22.
3258
of 22.
And
9497 of 19.
WBC 9497
of 19 mile.
of 2019.
Mile.
10.
Lordship, regarding this matter, my lord, this is the second round of litigation, my lord. Now, my lord, only one thing, my lord, till today they have not filed an affidavit.
Yeah, where's Chowdhury? Last occasion he wanted to file affidavit.
My lord, this Visheshwar Das, my lord, is suffering from cancer, my lord. He has requested me to get a disposal from this court, my lord.
Who?
The Visheshwar Das, my lord, petitioner number 1, my lord. He is suffering from cancer, my lord. So, may I request?
Then,
My lord, here, my lord, we have received the dice data, my lord, that is not clear, proper, my lord. As per the report, my lord, his name is not reflected. My lord, kindly see, my lord.
At least file an affidavit.
My lord,
So that they will know.
well, I have not received instruction, my lord.
See, petitioner is having some ailment.
My lord.
It's a serious ailment.
Yes.
Why not expedite the matter? At least let us try to clear up, finish it up, whether it goes in your favor or against.
Can it be
Heard
on
Mr.
11?
J. Laskar, learned counsel. On request made by Mr. P.K. Bora, learned standing counsel.
Elementary.
Elementary list on
11, my lord. November.
Yeah, 13th.
Obliged, no?
11.
May it please your lordship. In this matter, only one of the respondents have filed their affidavit, lordship. The rest are yet to file it. Lordship, since a year has already elapsed, I would like to pray that this matter may come up for admission hearing, and in the meanwhile, we'll file a reply. And if they are also willing to file, they can file it in the meanwhile.
Affidavit in opposition, respondent number 3.
Yes, lordship. Only one of them.
Three. The executive director.
Yes.
How many respondents are there?
3 respondents are there, lordship.
Who are those?
One is the government, and the other one is the Department of School Education, Director of Elementary Education.
Are you filing?
My lord,
I-
will file, my
Have you received instructions?
lord. AF Upon is looking after this. matter.
2023 matter.
Some time may be granted, my lord.
Lordship, the notice was issued a year back, lordship. As on your course. SSA course.
In this last occasion, the elementary was directed to file also along with the SSA, but I have received the instruction that the SSA is the main authority. That's what the instruction has been sent to me.
Who
The
appears?
SSA has filed the affidavit. No. SSA has filed their affidavit. They have filed their affidavit, my lord.
So we can proceed.
So
Can we proceed on your affidavit?
if you're adopting the same pleadings.
They
that
will be, Mr. Nayak will be able to address to that.
Where's Nayak?
He's on Lex, I think, on some other court.
No. Have you got your affidavit filed by the BT? Is it the BTC? No, SSA.
SSA has only filed it, lordship.
No, that's fine. You are praying for the SSA
Yes, sir.
on behalf of P. Nayak. Fine. How about you, Fukan?
Given the thing.
That I've seen.
Whatever the SSA process we got that. So the lordship has to go through the affidavit.
Then the affidavit has been filed by the SSA. Of course, by an authority.
Perhaps when Mr. Nayak, if he comes, my lord, if he better, my lord, he'll be able to address the court better. On behalf of it.
Okay, you want to file your reply.
We would file a reply. If they are not filing any, I'm just praying, lordship, that the next day may be kept for admission hearing, lordship.
Okay. MSN Begum, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Praise for how much time?
Lordship may give any date, any convenient date.
No, how much time you require?
Weeks maybe.
Praise for 2 weeks time to file reply to the counter affidavit filed by the respondent number 3. Stop. Praise the Lord. List on 21st
Lordship.
21st November for admission hearing.
Much obliged. Next.
37 of supplementary list admission.
May it please your lordship. In this case, lordship, we have salient the appointment of the respondent number 5 in the post of principal in charge in a higher secondary school, lordship.
Affidavit has come.
No, my lord. But they have, the private respondent has filed their affidavit and they have admitted that they does not possess the required B.Ed qualification, lordship.
No, 1 minute. R5 has filed.
R5. State respondent was asked to file affidavit.
Oh, 1 minute. Yes. Das. Who's appearing?
I am appearing with, some time is required, my lord.
Are you filing affidavit?
Yes.
On the last occasion also, they have time for filing affidavit, lordship.
I am appearing on behalf of D. Mustahari. He has some difficulties, my lord. He has left.
And as well, it's an admitted position that my lord, for a principal in charge in a higher secondary school, B.Ed degree is required, lordship, and that is not fulfilled by the respondent number 5, and that is it is admitted position by the respondent number 5 affidavit, lordship.
Okay, heard Mr. R. Fukan, lordship, the council. As well as Mr.
D.K. Bhatti.
D.K. Bakshi, Learner Council for the response number 5. On request made by Mr. U. Sharma, Learner Standing Council Secretary Education. How much time? 2 weeks. 2 weeks time is allowed.
On behalf of D. Musa Ariman. Which on behalf of the.
Okay, on request made on behalf of MSD Mushari, huh? Learner Standing Council Secretary Education, 2 weeks time is allowed to file counter affidavit. Released on 22nd November.
12 of daily list order.
This is the, my lord, promotion matter, my lord, of the private respondent. Lordship, I don't know, will be able to dispose of the petition today.
Not today.
Or Lordship may fix it up on 5th for
The
admission.
pleadings are complete.
Complete, my lord.
Why is it coming for orders?
I don't know, my lord, because actually it should come for admission hearing, my lord.
Any private respondent?
Yes, private respondents there.
Yeah, Apari?
Number 5, my lord, respondent number
Filed
5.
affidavit, my lord.
They filed their affidavit, my lord.
Let me just check up.
Last occasion, Lordship has a little bit, Lordship heard the matter, my lord. And
How about respondent 6? Headmaster?
Headmaster, I am saying, my lord, we have already filed the affidavit on behalf of autonomous council, but it can be
So
proceeded.
6 is covered
Covered.
by your affidavit?
Covered, man, covered.
Okay. 5. You are appearing for R5. No, anyway, you are appearing. You file your affidavit. Okay, then we'll have it admission
on 5th,
hearing.
my lord. This long, my lord, the person who is junior to me.
On request made by the parties. This 5th, many things are there. 7th will have. Least a matter of 7th for admission hearing.
Interim order continue, madam.
Interim order
12, my lord.
Huh?
12, my lord, 12. 7th, I have some difficulty, on 12.
12. Yes. Interim order passed.
I'm appearing for respondent.
13.
Service is completed. The respondent number 10 and 13 filed affidavit, my lord.
Respondent number
10 and 13. Case is this, my lord.
How about the other respondents?
Other there are office notice there, my lord. The flag mark, my lord. All service is completed as per Rosenberg court report. 6, 7, 8, 9, they are not appeared. Even puppet respondent number 12, he received a notice not appeared.
No, the respond number 6 accepted notice on behalf of the others. Now, whether the respond number 6 has given the copies.
Malora, we have we take steps. He is the 6, 7 is same school, my lord. 6 is the headmaster, head mutter is my lord. He received on behalf of other respondents, my lord.
That's fine, he has received, but has he served a copy? That's what we want to know.
No, he received, my lord. Obviously,
he has received.
Yes.
But after he has received, has he served a copy to this person?
You lost page 8, you lost page 8 of my petition. Page 8.
Of your?
Of my writ petition.
Oh.
You lost 6. He is the head motorist. 7 is the secretary of the man. He is the secretary himself, my lord. And 8 is the school managing committee, so and so represented by the president. Concerning that school, my lord. Then 9 is the so and so he by name I made him party. Headmaster I by name I made him party. 6 and his 6 he's the 9. Headmaster head is and I made him by name as a party. That's number 9. So 10 is concerned appeared. I'll written statement. 11 is concerned not appeared, my lord. Notice served.
12 notice have, he is the person, my place he was appointed. He was not appeared. 13 file written, affidavit in opposition.
About 14.
14 also not appeared.
So your main grievance is against 12.
12.
When-
Because I am the, my lord, originally I was appointed as director employee of that school. When the school was
that
provincial.
I know, but then unless 12 is notified, then we can proceed, isn't it? Now we don't know whether 12 has received the notice
No,
because respondent number 6 accepted the notice
No,
on behalf of 12.
no.
Yes.
12 separately, my lord. 12 also is the employee of that particular school, my lord.
Have you read the Lawazima course order?
That was acknowledged.
Huh?
That's it.
Here it says the respondent number 6,
Yes.
the head Mutaris, has duly received his own notice and has also received notices on behalf of respondents 7, 8, 9, 11, and 12 on their behalf. Now we don't know whether he has got it.
It is same school, my lord.
Maybe it is in the same school, but I don't know whether the copy has gone.
But he has received. My lord. Headmaster has received. So, my lord, I may be then permitted to take justice service.
On 12.
12. But he'll not, there will be.
At least try. After the, if he does not accept,
My lord.
get a witness.
My lord.
Mr.
Jai Ahmad.
Jai Ahmad, learned counsel for the petitioner, praised for taking first steps for service of notice on the respond number 12 by Dusty Service. Praise Allah.
As well as usual process again.
Take Dusty on it. Petitioner is permitted to take first steps for service of notice on the respond number 12 by Dusty Service to the registry of this court within a period of 1 week from today. Thereafter, petitioner shall file an affidavit to that effect. List after 2 weeks.
That may be given.
List on 22nd October, November.
Second.
38 and 39 of supplementary order. Thirty-eight, 39.
This was a fixed matter on the own prayer they got it.
Not.
None appears for the applicant. List after 1 week.
14 of daily hearing.
Maybe social, that's a matter maybe put for timing, Lordship.
Which one?
38, Lordship.
38, why?
Sir, English council is having some difficulty, Lordship.
So when do you want?
Sir, give us 5 minutes, Lordship.
I'm rising in 5 minutes, that's why. Okay, we wait, we cancel the order, we'll wait for some time.
My lord, in 14, item 14, matter was heard earlier, my lord.
Yes.
And yet therefore it is recorded as a part heard matter. Our part was heard. My lord, they are not there to argue in the case. And my lord, today time is also short.
So when do you want?
The other side is Gogo is also. He is to argue. My lord. Our part was heard. Therefore, it is part heard, my lord. So if it is required to for rehearing, my lord, I will take more time, my lord.
Okay. I'll give you time. Okay, on request made by parties, list down.
My lord,
14th.
Yes, my lord. 14th of November.
Or not 40.
कोई नहीं
19 will have.
My lord. My lord, it will remain as a pattern matter, my lord.
You want it?
15. Fifteen.
None appears for the petition. List of the 2 weeks.
16.
Matter may be listed on 19th, my lord.
Okay, on request made by Mr. D.N. Patacharya, learned counsel for petition. List on 19th.
19th. My lord, the opportunity may be given for upgrading.
18.
19th.
Lordship. But the time permits. I don't know.
Just
So we'll need about 25-30 minutes from our side. That's a bit too what.
How
Take
about
about
you?
20 minutes.
So 1 hour.
She'll take about 40 minutes.
No, Lordship. Give me 10-15 minutes.
You're saying you want only 20, he wants 40.
English, you know.
English. We'll fix a date. Heard Mr. H. Raman, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
I received.
I. Hasib, learned counsel for petition. Also heard Dr. P. Agarwal, learned standing counsel UGC. For the respond number 3 and Mr.
And Gautam Lordship for 1.
N. Gautam for the respondents 1. Okay, put N. Gautam's name first. Also heard Mr. N. Gautam for the respond number, learned counsel for 1 and 2. And Dr. B. Agarwal for learned standing UGC, respondent number 3. List the matter on.
Can we pay for 27th of
27 Lordship.
That's a Wednesday.
The next day, the
That will
28.
28.
28.
Okay.
28.
38 and 39 are supplementary.
My lord, we have filed an IA lordship, impugning a lordship show cause notice lordship.
The show cause?
Yes, my lord, lordship at page lordship 33 lordship. This type copy and original was 35.
So you reply to the show cause.
We'll reply.
What is the
Lordship.
difficulty?
Lordship, our salary, my salary has also been withheld, lordship, and your lordship has filed an interim order, lordship, at page 27, has stayed the impugn order which has been impugned in the writ petition, lordship. Lordship, in the impugn order, in the impugn of the
Where's the impugn order in the writ petition?
page 27 is the in the IA also. Yeah, there, lordship. Page 27 of the IA, lordship. Here, lordship, your lordship has stayed the impugn order.
Hmm.
In spite of this order, Lordship, they has issued this show cause notice, Lordship.
You reply to the show cause, that's not an issue.
Will reply, Lordship, but since Lordship, there's an interim order whereby I was reinstated and I was demoted, Lordship. Since reinstatement and demotion both were suspended, Lordship, how we can join, Lordship? If I cannot join, then what is my fault, Lordship, that I have?
You make your stand clear in the reply,
Lordship.
then Sharma, you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
But my Lordship salary has also been withheld, Lordship.
So all this, Sharma.
Can they,
Okay,
Lordship?
heard Mr.
J. Abbas, Lordship.
J. Abbas, London Council for the petitioner. Stop. For the applicant. Stop. Issue notice. Mr. U. Sharma, London Standing Council. Secondary Education. Appears on behalf of all the opposite parties and prays for a short time to enable him to receive instructions. Prayers allowed. List. When is the 3 days expiring?
3 days is expired on Saturday, Lordship. I have given an application taking 10 days time, Lordship, and they have received that application.
On Saturday means first.
Yes, ma'am. No, Lordship, it's last Saturday, Lordship.
Huh?
Last Saturday,
Lordship,
Lordship.
3 days elapsed, your Lordship. In the meanwhile,
Last Saturday was 26.
Lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
And we have filed a application, your Lordship, seeking 10 days more time, your Lordship, prior to that. From the authorities, your Lordship.
You have met in application?
Yes, Lord.
Before the authority?
Yes, Lord.
Seeking extension of time.
So that has been allowed or not?
That we don't know.
They have accepted, received the.
Then we'll have it on 6th. Oh,
Lordship.
list the matter on list the matter on 6th.
All right.
Obliged.